Yen cái đề chích cái đề chích em I think that was cái đề chém cái đề chém power chém good chém so ngã chừng đó mình so cái đề chích chém trên là xóa có cái cả và cái sorry quế chả các bạn muốn quế coi nhà ngủ một lo tốt so here cả tắm có bà share video nó có của bà share nó có un e ping của giờ là có un cho bài trên này that I just challenge you to see where the problem is, not just see where not have a blame game because cái yêu lối bài trên này chỉ cái ràng trước mà đã cái có duy cái dia so mi tu man ti ne che manwar che ro ga ping deportation of dir powers ke minister immigration wara ke chi ko da che clarify ya ku ti chen ka clarify tin ko ju ja nya che ke na ko the level of english ku nge ban la tek ka ba ka ju ja ba ke complicated most of the thing away so ka ke ban be na very important because now understanding ku understanding ai import cái đây bây đây yeah import một trát về bây giờ có ba thank you bye bye so ka ke ban ni cái nan yang lain ba cái nào man galat jalo bye 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 so ayen we ba ke jal invited na iran when ready for a few minutes anti ka ke lwel ka when just a frustration when to because ko I create ban I can ignore but yen watch culture ke chol blame game e dir to na war ku ken na che kana e pol is either you do it wrong and then correcting pane long yen ban chitingi ko chen ye traffic na chi lo se chen domestic violence kayin lo se chen traffic offense na chi lo se chen traffic offense kayin di lo se chen ko baran ba yunum go balode ayena pane na nong longo ni lela riyo che mit ko mu ko pane ko bariyo ago pira pet kuna chariyo ke in pira pet ba et na chalo indole ku cha na chariyo ke in pira pet ka bijal bo kor ke korin but riyo che e un coin but riyo che ku lo riyo wa dia man ti na pa na kor biro gilelong agelin mandulong agelin tingdulong agelin londulong agelin everything along but so we mean ko kwana ke chola ko a lawyers supposed be lawyers be la work anan ke chol presumption of knowing long by it and luel deke anche lawyer I have to be very sincere there ku luel deke na barman call pan Africa barman call pan Africa ku nyoji matare je Melbourne ku lum le ku yubran mo ka chi luel ara ante kaman in ke chol presumption of knowing the law by it and ka chi luel ara ante kaman abu riyo yene bo wara kul ku ka ku tere kan ro lo ti na man chera yunom yena bu yonga palku ah kin ga jiri na pan into mo kan jal na nya ke won tin klon man tin klon bo ke man chuluk bi baden bi ku lo nin ke tier ku wan ku lo la chi diar ke ga yom chi bu mai run ke de klon na ye ko ni je de ke ke mai run ke tier ku di ku lo na nin ke tier ku wan Australia bi na linde jalo ko ni mana berun ke be ke te ke wa ka be jala ke bro loy lekin ke chol presumption long ba it na yin ya assume that yin ni long bar wara ko anyi ye gwele to ngalangalit anyi ye gwele to ngajeng anyi ngo anyi so akin kene ne ke la balwe na le bane ya pancho rotate the camera to landscape na le bane ya ke duna association kunom baiten ayen ko ka lo ko lo ndo la community dana association kuna ti ko ko lo la pia the community dona association ko community ti association yongo ko ngi mi ka balang don no chari ku yongo ko ngi mi ke nduru ba gwa ye lo la chawo lo la chawo yo in ko ben te kana kwa chawo ka lo la pia de cher ka bi yen be ko nya de ba so yerga pan lo kom put on your rotation pan jol jo ke ke bengare put on your jami diwan chingade to thing put on your rotation because if the camera is on landscape kachi you welcome so okay hello
Hello, Jack.
kudwal how are you
Well, already long time.
Chirwa?
Well,
Long time
until
how are you
go.
uh
Very good. Yourself, wife, the
uh,
family.
huh
Okay. The family, there.
well my family is good local train ye lolude topic jam and man
Cái thời này Jack, waren thì complain ở trên lối.
uh
Anh chỉ jam của presenters agak. Của cái lối rất mà này chỉ cho lui adversative. Của Cowen to or main providers cái information. Của cái level cái
uh
share Cowen chỉ cái legalize. Cowen chỉ
uh
cái yên lui. I think I took
mm
a bani daman may but ngel of lo show day.
mm
Ale suppose what we be die, it I should die.
Dor cái chor cái ngol do yi nyen ai ai do chor
Okay.
ai wa good like
Kulabapin? Okay, a pet.
ni
So
chang di
so
kai
ke alwele ke ani jam kulwel ne wo nang ti wo ping channel to kimanwar in SBS kon ben. Ke information ju jale bialo non ko ju. Badamane num
mm
dak. Okay, anu ben ke message ina jak well tanda ba itene ko ju ja che kwen do wato within ko
mm
ju ja da che da news ku news ke ga ko ju kun in war I think in ka ju ja ka di lwel wen kon ken dai uh in war bi wa ba itene sasen kan wan wo a chu ga bu go yi wo gu that non kan wan ko but we ignore them. Achuka ignore a lot. Achuka pancho. Kira mi ban jam thin anyi japet na deka responsibility the man so kuma ne kidi lawai. And I think a chin kan jam thin on. Na chi bayalo eke michela deka na. Good be ya dia ya. Musuolia hello kene lo lura adit. A good nala bi wo pet chen we ro. Na iran to ka jara jara. Ka lo yoro te man te ten be jam especially ko Victoria. In Victoria, gel maybe state ko kaba martin mar. But in Victoria did especially Melbourne. Yen which nang many party ajuyaret. Parties one a kwon lo ke ya ke lo weekend. A jalo lo kai la to gi sabi.
Ben
Mana
Fingerun.
na ben fingerun. I actually witnessed that. Tama na jalo Melbourne de, an jalo Melbourne ko sabi ke da ngodo kin gol. Na woni jël gol ta tier ku tok jël party jël da mara hit tente taro bi jal ko wo ko boy state ko ke go benno jane na ya ta tier pro state da jite ne ko boy jal wala te na ran bi jal ngai lo night club ka kere mi ka bafe but ko nang family da dil jal so ke ya wo iten na one man nong run ke tier ke lung ba iten tinga chi allow de chane men nong run ke wan bi jal long nin ke ne mi kunaye men nong men da be jor e ka jel ku wen mit ka mana ye ne la ta e chiran ke do nyin tin wara jare ti nan to en mung mit wara ye de na par thati o da lo ina jak
Akwai na rani yo. Akwai na rani
a
yo la
chiran
ke.
no
Lotwe.
data dien ka question ye na ya ti no wo yi wo mi yu ka wanu ya ke ene tin alle bra lo mi dal lo bi ni yinu ben ale tabi
Ke ba lwele ke anang one example le ke cha lwele anang last year anang tike chiro lo e Melbourne City. Ala arkan jalle mi la yo. Go search the police ba jati kulwele 10 year wala to ke dum ti ni la. Ku ka jal ko rir ku to. I will get jealousy. Are you telling me that the mother of that child allowed? No, I can't see. Do you know them? Well, is it because I look like them? Well, I'm sorry if I take I'm sorry. Well, do you know them? Well, a 10-year-old here, they can pel manamet, kaunamet, bejar.
ben town
Bebena, bebena Ru City, up to Tadiagman. Well, like a yen can Anche live, Anche put a Jabega, internet. Ke young bolit akadan ke tin run tier ku dia ke ji bolit ay chol je kwenya na jale kor bi yor ko jal ben ku jal no la dulo ya lo do ke yor jal long go lo uncle they are dogs ay jo wala yi a cha chol uncle ku ya kuma le la tinga go jal ba pia go ya wulen ku yin adawe matke
kwa
na
chia
wala
kuma
jela
pinga
ko
lweli ya
a cha kuma pingu jal kor bi no go dom na won ke jal ti ku da pia ya ke jal wade a ki bele fane ko ka jala wer nyin from ko ka jala wer nyin from ta tier pro wako ku ke na
aiwa
ye ta dia ka ben bi dur a wer nyin
yes
na ku na le ne ka ke pan chol ku ko ali bu ka ping in ka anjal jam ne ku la yen ko ngi ye ku ko ba 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 tactic mi bu ka jwer we ke ya kanisa yi ago we ya jwer ye men tin run tier after run ke tier ku do ye lui behave de kuna cha ni ka yen ni men du a char ko cha ga lo la ka yin be kon ben tik to ke tin ku ba wir den bala men nyin ke apia ka ke ni pie de ke ku men ka na gel ada ke
ya cái gì đùa no ka chagil ajak the responsibility should start in the house yen cái này anong pa chalwel culture anong ga jwi ga lwel tin and in fact na kor ku burut coin ke ka gol ku in the house ke twing ke nye pet wache iye chugu le mis kwa special work in the west chaka men du ku bi chirande yo ke yen eto in the shop in eto in the shop kuler kulio battle de ngadi da tir sok kude or kero soda kude kulele yung ina loyula ka lewo ina leten erandi balang den kene EWL sorry eh kute kuyen meta chanyi kuna lot
uncle
kwa le
man
ba ben ba yeah
uncle
lo
man
ben
ne
ale
man
ba
mana ko le jan
mm,
ci lo nduran ci lo tunge chol je ka man ne
yeah
la ka ni la yo ko ro a ni ko ke ka ko ya
mm,
pure ya ke anang product den ki wo e man te ye chol wo bi wo ga cha do na ma wa ku jala ni ti je a ja lo ku
mm,
jal ke yo ka lo ko a din de na ki la do num chien ke ye na ko
mm,
ki mo ni ran su ki ber ku wen ke ku ro beran la se
mm,
le nim tap ku le yo lo
mm,
ba wo ka wan ku lo
mm,
rande pe lo kan ben se ku ga ka tin yin ari ra
mm,
kra ala rana la pin na un gan jal jama nyiri golo la ko la ka chi ni ja ki dere tok golo we gien a chi le sorry yo mo chi we ga jal
mm,
mol golo ka la apology da chu gam ye na riu ko ken
yeah
a riu ko ken na beri ye lo ke se de rot ke da ga cham ga de facebook ga chi lo ku yo puskre era e di ta di ta era an be di da ko me a jo le
mm,
bo pan jo le jale bo bolis yin go chin jal kan do me la bolis ke
mm,
di jamu ben ke tar
mm,
we ne miol aka chen ki ko ga train ba report ga chi lo training a jo
mm,
le tin bolis ke di go chi bolis gu ah ane jam telefoni ko le ga ran to telefoni ko le ka jam me ke yer bolis jal ka ku jal kare go bolis ke
mm,
di alwe le lu ka le bu ku ya ne pin na woni je go
mm,
bolis le no po his own safety too much go le no an chi kuru ke ka a de ka gwe ke men go ya le ka je a woni ja le yon go le an chi pio mitan ke go le bolis ti ku le kala pal ke en cha ga bi lo no go lo la windom bel wala o ke ala
mm,
ta ge so ko lo wo bla training je to we bolis pal ke na won ke jal jal pala a na bu ku training ke bu ga alwe ne ka wa ja ya jalong kurana dit anari ten kinto ko ba ku jor la jor de jim a jor kinto la ga de nyanom so ya jalong men wa bana walen man ka ka
mm,
a lo
mm,
ite bo kami fuskre ke lum ke gitar monye china ku le ka ko gitar expensive be long
mm,
ana won ga jala ti wo ji jali ite kami san chan ga ta na go jalwel ba e doro ma ya gen wo ki bolis ga bi yete e training ko koru mi be because the let ko go ben long a won ga go
mm,
jali ta jali kami ta net ken sunshine go ja ti ku le ba en men yetan go lo la ne mo bor
mm,
go ja jor training ku jala mo nyal ku lo jol we la nyi le ben no no rande
mm,
wala yo ni ken lwel go le la ne be no te ne kwa ne ma ya nyi lwel la ne bu police ba gurnom lakini ane ki be pir
mm,
ake ba no so ke
mm,
ne jalo yin kir ka yin cha pinga ne ku yin ga cha yin ga cha ko nyman so majority of these kids yen
mm.
they understand the kingerio ku jamo ke
Ai,
regardless of how violent they are but the kine ka nyeng
mm,
wo ke a nyengu ke wel
yeah. Do aja now lon chalo is like inche kichir three incident achaga witness ku ga chin ke are involved but yen ke kunwan walk ne yen an well responsibility that in the house anong facts akor bukale mit
Mhm.
kenekere the house yen tabanero lo state ke dia chin men what you mit bija chu ka pio bana chimet ku chi chinari be ya ko ja la yen ko lui ignore ka lo ke le ku jel to wala wo jel dia wa dia
Majal diawa
wo
dia.
jel wo dia completely go yara anwar te ke yen kuran le be ping ben wo jel dia wa dia kuran keeping u ke chu e ke yu ku palwe wa pai so one time ko ne chel ya lwel o wi lwel locally na de yen pet bu ya dia wa ran kin go to a chane
Mhm.
na kut kwarat e da ye men de miau ke lo ke ya ke eh ya go ma
Mm.
ke chu ko bo ko je num ku dia ko e kwan won ko rian family won tar ko te te won ruai ku be rwanda ber be ben ku rwanda ku chin wel rot e
Mhm.
tol je len e chen ber biao a jel tum la to either be ka waja lo wed be after 5 years or be log chun e ka lu chun ya ka wa chwa chin nya tin ke to ina jack in responsibility chire ke den the house di harano responsibilities ken eh or one of responsibilities ko
Mm.
on top of no kai ka le nyir ita ka ke chol wela in beanya ba jalo ati ke kul cheni tia
Mhm.
ka ye me almet aye kwem mendenum it in anybody in anyone ran pingin u ke kam de ken mende
Mhm.
dan na de ke in be from now eh a good
Jara ke
bayati
jara ting.
a good yeah in beanya in nyamane a good bayati ke kul jelitia kulwe reason around it the thing man lwe
Mm.
reason there is a reason lwe ke around it even some places it akanga kwe itself when yeni nyandu ditin panedwon e ka lwe ye na pia bit yagdine leave alone you can lo the part of afanai eh
Mm.
no to woni ko chiengtin e ka ke kam de nge ken nge chane na lo me ya kro dinga chin ga chiga
Ya
lekin
manasa kuda.
kule
Mm.
kule ku yup ande e kala riya ga ran ni lar night club e oran la dream the hoy ku myoji anything from that day e periya any okay but the worker ne yina jake ko ne chaga yo basi je
No, in
eh
ana wer pia chalwel ten, ana wer pia chalwel ten ankol ku bin lo
okay
nan twany to man ku ka ditang nyir ku do ba etene.
yeah yeah
Ku ke twany chol drug induced psychosis.
yeah
Ku drug induced psychosis ku jal ko ti ku lwel yela yo no. Okay, wer chalwel e chimana de yen. Na lo ni dul wena drink du chemane.
yeah
Ku lo ku lumran ku yini kida cheman. One example is that tang man ya man ku che kin kande me
mm.
miaw ko kin kande ko. Kule yeni ju kide no kule yeni ju ka lu ka yong. Is happening by it
Yes.
na. Na chi
Yes.
la la ka bimiol. Kuna le miol ku yena wal kin kan cham yena bi yong. E one thing. But
Yeah.
mentally a chi ba ban pian. Na
Yeah.
le ben ku ye dunga che dek che man ku lo na ke chi ro lo ku war chen je chen mi de Melbourne ni chen ke tere dew chen
Santa
ke
Chu.
la ye chen ke tere
Okay.
dew lo kwan le. Won
Mm.
ti to ka bela jam ku le ah a le jaj. A le ya na ka
Mm.
che ana ku war. A le an chi lo yen
Mm.
wal ku dewal ku jalu che le en chen ke nye. In ke ran chi po dwara a chi ja ye chi bilwel ku lwel ke rana dang chi mor ke cha a cha wande because a ku chi lorot e ka ka ban ka yin uncle pancho ku ye ko na no ko ye embracing forums che manu bu ko ben a che lazim bu jala marba lwel kir la or ngade ngabo yo mu chen ko pancho le lu drop out hey da na talking better ben so ki to ka ka lwel ko na I educational stuff and jam kind of journalist and jam kind of un mitcha right so and jam kind of journalist now journalist I cannot give my opinion as well so and jam kind of un mither ka yan ke de lo ba man e parenting ku ke tan ko video to ngun pinga pya I have teacher presented a skill to ka ko nye but it is very good that ki jam and thine ke chol collective parenting ku yeah yeah hey in I chapel yeah so le collective parenting ane ji jam na bang die chlo akar ba jal be na say I hope you ko ke pin ki bulum ke live de to ma live because live ke ti alum ke because e ke lwel ka e ke yene e ke nya kor be time de I have to na chin men ke jam en tin un war to war ye ke e ke chu tem city ku ke chi ka wa je tem le kin ko me la yen pan cho lo ko ya lo chin na ruok de ya so pan cho la lo chin na ruok de ya so hey man yan ya pin wa ba hey ta de man ga so kuma an betuk lekin an be ngare lo gola thing a part of my new year program this year bara min my thing war run ke wana ne elu every Saturday and elu every Saturday and Sunday run for 4 years now program da rajok rod wine back to so anja lu anti beralu Sunday so what I'm actually and my friends I will be introducing a free training service because I know material because I know good materials for parents. I got 30 books here, parenting across cultures. I think that I'm quite of Victoria. I think I think I would need to reactivate that program to is a 12 weeks program, 3 hours a day, once a week, maybe every Saturday evening for 3 hours for 12 weeks, and then that program alone, because ki bay ka lubu we bay a lubu parent get the diak or the one, we band together and settle down and sit. Then you are given a talent where like it all what are the parental challenges to buy it and how do you deal with them? ku jal ke chol cross sharing of ideas jol ben tian ka chelo tin ku tian ka chelo tin ke from there you actually learn to nange and you learn to nange and then that skill is applied ku jal du chelo to man one example ana da di de chelo e dan no yena chi on pio jan ke 2007 ke yena na kinwane ana won tin da rer ba ka no wende ko wende ben ku le mama anje alel mama yen aku ji manade wo ken ga santa lingali he's actually paid $193 a fortnight go ngai chole chiamman alel ko limba go chole chiamman wontin akor man jalo to kwen I've actually given this the idea that yen a very enough skill ku ka kor below ye ke chol bo met ba pure teaching man do responsibilities. You cannot in chilba me da chani na gutaro kulele mummet ye tan mo yen ko mo cha ka war ba ya che li fan ka waje balwele ba me chani na gutaro ye man tan na cheru na tier ku wan kumu kumu ka beru na abe ani na gutaro ye ne kirkir ka yinda du into no problem yin kana ngana ye che ka waje. So what happened is that go jalben go did now and jalde given enough talent kayena ber dumde ber by a teenager a 16-year-old yen wonti na wala a 17-year-old yen jama china woke so I dom $193 per fortnight akuma ku yen ke ber kui because yen ke dugo he was actually being given a lot by mama de on career man ku le mama an korkan dia ke berai and ci berai lui ka ku ko man le ka pen nan di after training man le ka pen nan di ba yen kan lu ko kor kan de yin kan de okay uncle go ben ku yin kan de ku jal man e dong ba ga ni nyir ke go ko mu jalo ke ni nyir ke ai pinden ta al ta di ta al ki pinden ku lum ku drink en cho ke ga gen ta drink en suppose ya asir luru ke ga je jalo ka kuma we luru ke ga gen ta kulum ku pin tal ki pin de lo ko ka to go ku chin ke te ta la je ma to ne wu ka chen ke la pol a lo ke jalo ben te ko bo ke cha di ne ni kan de jo ko ni man na be a be chin la yu by anyway a be chin la yu ba ye chin la yu ba ye wu ka e wu ke jor won be chin la yu ba ye chin nga ka bla cham so na jol ye bi jol ben bi we che ta la je i dai di da ba cham ke ni ni ko ka jol da tv de ku ye ko le ni ne ka chin te to ke a burotin fine go cham ne ta di ku ye na chin pawo be ben ti ku le mama fine ko because chin when de tin when de mu e when de jo anaye ku ye na chila teme la ku ye cham tu ke la ku le tu ngira ke ye cham te dia ko man ke ngira chan ba tier ku wana cham ku ya le lo de training ku ye tingo la ting 193 che na mana to mama ye adilien wo ko this 193 che ale do ga lo ya na lo nin ga do ro ye ting nin ga do ga nin ga do che ye ke le mama ala tala ja ye chen ki cham ku e chen ki cham man ti na lo ba kan di cha ben do yol dai di lo ku la ja ko sa cha ko ko sa cha ko e man di ke chol la chi la pi ke chol financial responsibility because I can get a 16-year-old or 17-year-old career by be a chama by kuka waka by kuka lungu kuka lweli jorwoke you because of that parenting skill a man ke your responsibility a chinyi mana de yen man lo big job enough be a yen wo ji but when chen yen ka ka la te ka ngai la ria a man du ne kan pio man kuna jalo le ba 17-year-old ba mu aba jalo PlayStation aba jalo PlayStation e jare ru pano Australia panda ni Victoria ten met ku chiru na tier ku ngwan ku pe ga ngwan ka la loy alu ilo no McDonald ku angre ja ku jala KFC e do tie de na ban ku do ma lo ku ni beto wede na ye internet ye char pe ni ka lo ke do internet nom ku dom ken nom that is parenting e parenting e pio jigen kuna ye jalur ku lo alwele no bamet me da bajal pio ye na bajal ye mi ke de ka ba ke jal mu no wo ke de anan ga bijala ni na ga bloga ben taro ben especially na ye nya ke man nya ndi na dul na mi akul ga pai ku ye make up day ye iran lu make up ran ke lu wo awa ala nya ndi man ti ku la nya ndi run ke wo run ku run ke ro ku pai ke to mana dong imbiru na tir ma cher an be an kor McDonald ku yitan ngot indi ro tin ko pel ka ku indi ro de loy ba wu ku loy ku ba ku ber ku te ba ke ku du lo to ba lo to yin ke responsibility ka waje pi na mi ama ne ke ra lo ye to that is parenting war bai pa ni jen ko ye ngai men de pa le bai yi ke den individual le chol men bai pa na ka waje tin ku le men dia lo birthday ya jara lo birthday ye tan mu chen men du kala nin pa na ra do war ke che pa na welen na jot men du bai tin ka waje lo ndur ku le okay e ke ye chol slip out yin kor baro ti okay me de ka ma ke men dia un me kurote ko to me ke men dia ku yong re le bro lo men dia ten roti to pan ben men du la nin tin ye men du aka ka du aka ya young nowadays do aka ya sexually abuse e men du no la ni ro le nin pananga ma jot la be de ku lor ku tit bi chol bolis ku le la ku an ki pes be de bala ni ne be de ka ti e bolis ku le ye long to tin ye men du la nin pananga in mon bolis ki korba piu je ke chol jam learn how to communicate when a man do learn how to communicate with the system, learn how to communicate with teachers, learn how to communicate with other people, and the more you have this knowledge, the more the more you have this knowledge na chara gewe ke di ben ke you are untouchable unless you committed a very serious crime. Unless you have committed a serious crime yen ga te a chama diunom ke yen a chin yen long ban geleta you will actually the law will deal with you but na yelwel kulel okay na lwel an cha bila cha bebe ha bilwel mandia an ga wa jai pan mandia inji ber pole ya is mine che kudu a privilege che right mandia an ga wa tv ko an ga bil fox tel carping kidia a chibero ka mi en smart card ba mi be a chilu ka ku smart me smart card ba mi be right we ba cham right we ba li ba are living in a good condition but ku ba ni na pet ku ba go pial ku be chera na ke a yit ku ga you have the right lekin equipment chen ya go wa a chinin karar you must responsibly use them and if you don't use them wisely I have a right to withdraw that power back to myself kaka ku chu ka tawo wani mo ko wo jam mi ko pet and the more me ya kor ba chen wisdom do me akor ba du a che rere ba ni che ba every now and then ke na dali to me kar yo mi ke e na cha ye chi kre de ni ja lo ya la ko we kon ter ku jal chol jal mi we der yo mi elon dula bay su kuli ku bar ku le ye utano le ye cholnga kulum galam ku gararin pe bala su kuli bala tije baba no hey ku kan le ne ye utate le kene ti cha le no no I was trying to that was not even a teacher. There was another one. There was one of our a student that we are in the class with. Why did you say that it was a teacher in the first place? Uh, uh, and I'm sorry, Papa. I'm sorry. That's how you deal with them. But I know you don't go logo kre de in jale nom jamito kre use ke ka man mi kwon ka ano ka mi kwon ka lo ka jole thamo ka die that I got or even bla ben ko oh baba the teacher don't like me, the teacher don't like me. Okay, which teacher is that? What did the teacher says? This thing, and it's being racist. Okay, being racist. Okay, I'm going. Tomorrow we're going to school. No. Think a car below it and a car being psychologically tormented by who went to peer. Manatu in between side day. Kay name it. Now, no, Kichila loy tika jalban with Jalal, each be bala sukul bala ping. Jalaban gule man the atil, Queen me the kid trap, me the kid yen a chi de to be in kujal pingula la ku man ya man uta ta la ka ya reses ala ku ken madam chin man du kulor kule did this thing happen lor ku nyoje pin wona teacher du nyoje pin wona teacher ku meten kule le teacher ka ye man de lele la e ka bi teacher lele kule when did I say that? Now we chi londa cha ye cho kuman chi londa ye cho you will actually control him or her a che ye ne bi ban control. So ye na kar ka ba ke chol met the clever ka war ko ken. But if you don't pay attention to nom den ka poli tiki ni paying attention to nom den, listen to the story ku bare ke chapingi ku jal ben lo indul go and verify that information. Now ye yiji ku man teacher you have to correct, you have to tell that teacher could that report let it be known by the principal. Tien yiji kaka yong. Kunanga chi yong kayen, this is a tactic that Korum is be in control. Agudia, thank you in my job. This is a tactic Korum is be in control. So kakarwa lwel koi ko. De jakar le ko jikulan twing. Intiek. Na yung mo ke jemit ke. Dura tang nel le ye chok. Ku yin mo na yung tie ke jemit ke. Dura tang nel ku lwel ba koni chuginyen welway. Chuginyen welway. Because ko kor ke ten ke katiga. En ajale yetu jaliru ko ko tu jalelul. Yang wo mi man wo yang chi wo mi ka je ko le ya baba dan yar wo. Baba dan yar wo. Yung man mi ah yin mi or ku jam mi pol. Yen te nga chi ber ping. Ana ye mo jibo ko ye yer mi te ko ye jam ye mi ka le ti yang man yi kan ba ni du ke go lo yo hare na du ke go. Je le mama love us than baba. Now acha ka yen reason be with that. Kung have reason da bijala lo ku chi ko brana ping lekin tu ka ber fani en aja le tinga irere ten ku jal ga tinga je mama den ka injal nom no tom ga ping ku jal ga tier kul du pe tier ka kul du ami a ber ka pe ka jal ga ben chol kul war je wo mama dun kene cha wo ku kene cha wo ku kene cha wo na wir ka cha ben wo mi che ga lo bu lo now ka ni ka create bana ya ta together ku lom ka na no ki nga wo ke lo ku le ranti alo ku ka chi nga wo lo ka chi na bo ku pin ka ni oh baba so you know that as well or mama you know that as well so you guys don't have even a secret you don't even need to talk to her now they realize that ka ko na chok tok kuma ni ke ka ko ne chok tok ai jala behaving ku ni ke things are not going well. Things are not going well. So let's learn how to communicate. Let's learn how to communicate with ourselves. Adi akele we anti kanyi our way. Kilwele ni ay skill to kana yan badake ke gam ku video to ngon tam agu dia inchal anu pan chol jala do. Skill to kada ana ke ta mun balwel and journalist like and other things when ana wunu mi ya mi ya kor so agudi ya lo camera rotate ku lo rotate ku ta rotation on kan mi da ja le anti jam re don kinom goto agudi ya kada lo decline. I hope Kiranja Raipio. I will do best. Agudi ya kada tota lo rotate. I will be able to. Aku dia kada ipo yang again. Alwel por jam tema. Alwel kita kamera rotate. Go Google. Yang tahu lah. Alwel kita lo kena koyo. Ibay mayom tulba. Kita invited them. Aku kau kaya reject them.
Hello, Jack. How are you?
Kuda.
I'm good. Let me just turn you off.
Ya,
Laptop here. I have not been
Kuda.
live so long. How are you, Jack?
Lala di, chứ pa nó quay luôn.
Elwedi?
Alo chứ pa nó quay luôn chứ quay luôn rồi chứ. Bye.
Apo, Loidi.
Ngodin kin tong pale kan.
Aki pala mo. How are you?
Okay, bye. Let me introduce. let me introduce you first to people. Yen
Okay.
we call Dairan jam gonna enter the Bobite and came and teen core. I think he's now in Australia for over 20 years. Is it?
22 this year.
Okay.
Yeah.
22 this year, 22 years.
Yeah.
We yen tonga jeng ba ping to nangin ku ke boka menti A5 on ka 3.
I 9. Zaman Chanban.
Eh?
I am 9 years
Ina?
old. I am 9 years old.
Okay. Now, runga tong wan ku runga tero na jale loben evijal warabla is a journalist by the way. She was a presenter for South Sudan Broadcasting Corporation, which used to
Yep.
be SSTV. So now they have seen her on SSTV. Kujala do now she's a clothes designer and one of the
I'm
best
from a
speakers as
four.
well. But yeah, now she's doing a lot. But Kidi Tejal, she's a mother and a wife, and now around Kito, Australia more than any of us. Did by it and Jala Twinga. Oh, yeah.
I actually seriously and you make points. Like classy. So I really made points because I was very happy and you put me at a topic because this topic is not being talked about 10 Facebook in. But before I go on, I'm going to introduce them where quite die. Yan and nature on your ben, why did I call my tulba malual? Yan and beran and cook, tang pa mine. Now good pan that you all pachong from big. Na longo, wunda, all away lual. So and it dear can that's where I'm from. So anyway, yan and you put me
Angela Pale, Tom Pale Mar.
Pun miet ke echol manyil nai yen a berar and pan pale bor.
Okay.
Yes.
Jala
Yeah, so kichit kana thing because kichalwele and a lot of blame game in red loy. Yeah, and mushkila red jalo kujul ko jagai because red jalo kan layet kadi kan lorat kadi. How did it happen like this? And anything red loy and anything below happen enang steps rulu take ashan bikini yet den chen yet. So when I saw Timin Kun Chakalwell points Kun Chakalu make by because they're very important by lawyer yati kamoy basically. For a husband and a wife being down have a strong foundation in a home. Back mother took by, back a took by, be meet kunting and doing your kubang meet kuna poikete. Sorry, the speaker's going off. I'm in my husband's studio. Yeah, kubang meet kun poik. Give me 1 second, yeah? Turn off.
Okay. Yeah,
it's okay. Oh, yeah, he's behind me. Yeah.
Muslim uncle.
Yeah, it's very important bang mit kun point by. And especially bang mit kun point tie ko tiengtin by. Bang lu continue normally with kwana ko lawyer culture because the tiang mit ten ko abumar because due to the reason the fact that parents these days ya tagra mit kwanta here mit kwan ka ko biga jam mit kwan by ten kale kala lu mit kan ka tuika mit kwan ka ko biga jam jili kitai to mo jang by ko ajem ke jilizi. No, you're the parent. You're the one that's in control. You're the one that has to bamandu point bamandu lu teach. Timinian one, waki ka jot. Anchidik lo bait pamonjang wonder why you are. I know how it looks like the back of my hand. And I was so proud. I became so proud of the way ke kaikwa ke panden muktin. And that's the reason why these days I'm very, very connected to my culture because until you walk there, I spoke to people. I stayed there. So I can Libya yoga in Kilu experience this. No, because my parents took me back and I learned there. So a very important book.
Let us come here. You know Egypt, is it?
No, in Sudan, Sudan I'm 2 years old. Kujala Egypt.
Okay. Now Runkero we ko jakar ga ba ping ki an ki piat ke ni ban chen ben ne. Ni ban re Sydney. Now on ga jal bu du pa na gar. Kule jala gar na tin en men na yar ka ke jeng ka ju ben alat ke. Ki lo bu kon ben na nang there is one thing I like from her. And whether ja tie on go ke jam krim go lo kan ke ro ani adarot anjilo barat anjilo pada barat chola to ro to acha
I
lo
don't
le
have
kin
time.
da ya yong ya lo yen yong ya lo yen na jal ben ti ku la pe ma yo ma tul ba ye we yen ngo yen we lo ba to ba ku we wel to ngala ngali da pe to ngara bi ade ke wel ka ku to ngien ke ke belo le ke mana de yen mit I am challenged by that mit ke mana losing and I'm coming back hard why because the one chaleken is ato anum I need to make sure that I check a bijoron la yes ke Africa so that be then be latin but now they have to learn as well it can lego quite that young we pirwa de Australia before we come
The thing is, walk. Do you mean like as in going back home
no
before
by
they?
it and pir by how you handle the situation that we are not able to handle now
No, kichira loy yen a jag zaman one. What did you mad like any other children, to be honest? So zaman one oh losh and you got primary 10, ever got high school, ever got university. So I've done it all from scratch. So kichira loy zaman alo one school is zaman eko primary like in zaman chan Egypt at a Catholic school already. So I am just a little bit English, not like the way I do now, but just a little bit. Because Kayana have English classes in Catholic schools. So yen zaman want to be and by when jam Ingilizi gala temba jam Ingilizi kanyan kayo wamat kababa ka biso be biko tat ku jam kan pan kawaja kan e pandan mon jam ku nala ka school yi wala gwel tong don English na be ka ba ga ben jam tong mon jam and you go and be jam tong English by ten so straight away we became so scared and afraid buga instantly wa jam tong mon jam in the house so only English e kulu use outside the house kating to le lo to boko be dukin time on Kyoro did math Bugalo High School. Yeah, and you work in Australia since I was 14 and 9 months because that's the legal age. And you learn you came in Burger King that time in Asheville. Kubelo UKFC Ebajalu retail all my life until my Janja Banalo University. So Kichila Lozaman Wanogla Loy, a very important banana relationship commando. And then you drop a Babatin Loy, Kulua pick up. If he can't drop me because he's working, can game gruikin bus, Kulabe bus, kuna mo call it jamto because sometimes Burger King to yig late yig 10:30 kujala KFC can be bandied. So my parents knew where I was at the whole time. That time at 14 and 9 months, I came down to the phone. So Kalu communicate through the work number. So you be manager jam, could be manager Alu pass the phone. Kating from there, Tikin Jabana high school ne benang friends. Tikin nang friends straight away to learn a gal and go pala outcome my friends. Ke baba ka tila ka tiyo kala wala movie ka jamo ke kala na la ka movie we baba ka jot movie ker sa di kala ke movie ker sa tiar kro wa yet ke sa tiar kro bitok sa di bitok sa di but we're going to go for lunch afterwards or dinner yin boja bandi sale ka jamo ke all of that has to be done like in an time around ben by kete 6 o'clock at kulu forward to na daylight saving why ka pull booked out until 8 p.m. but meaning 8 p.m. why ka loop pick up during that time. Baba only allowed us to only have, only allowed me to only have 2 friends. So during that time, I had really, really good friends. They're still my friends until today. Nina Niasha. They were my 2 very close friends. Nina is from Ghana, Kunyasha is Zimbabwe. And Yukaro, they were only allowed to be my friends until today. Very successful woman. Niasha, an accountant. Nina is in America right now, a scientist. So they're very, very smart girls. So Nyukakaro can eat Baba can eat a cat parents can eat Baba sometime I'll over to the house because parents can if I'm not answering my phone, because straight away parents can like you. That's the way it is. You have to be in Palmam the group. To be any man during that time, we can get your Wi-Fi like how it is now to make you mention. But I have children. Like in my children, my eldest daughter 8 years old. They're not allowed to be law. We have Wi-Fi in the house, like they know they're not allowed to use the internet. If they want anything from YouTube, they know to come back to their mom, like their mom, the next program. Because these days sometimes YouTube because they do auto replay. I went to one house, and I was very disappointed to see because I ended up telling my husband because I'm very, very protective over my children. I'm very like, and you're quite in the future. So what happened is in one house, I was telling my husband, all I could see are songs. All I could see are songs rappers. Like because YouTube and they were just watching it, they were dancing to it, they were playing with it, and I was just so disappointed because these kids were the same age as my children. They shouldn't be watching that. They shouldn't be exposed to that. First of all, the language in those songs, language libi mythical that age be capping. Kati fashion things that way fashion libi nyiti wala weti kagating could be gal could be imitate tomorrow. Kati kujala thirdly in the dancing, and this is a big thing on Snapchat because yapping a college at your quest kwa chita go over it. Ke mi jala pull big meaty core because jala pull bigalu to work on Snapchat for what? For what?
No, yeah, it. Bara, kan wel kege ni banya. Yena, I have been raising them. Kipi ya toka what I try my best. I try my best to. But then into your generation, don't go back generation, don't to the generation of my daughter now. Now our children now are exposed to Jamaican twerking.
Yes.
Na chimenda wajale ko chabile ko kulala na chimenda chidae kaka Jamaica. Manatu automatically kuyemenya. Keme ne chen pir. Because the anya to walk. Kianya to walk ye pio ku ye gopin apia kuna ya ngwem ke ye ga na dela ngwem ke yen ngwem ko bagadol akaye ke tinke che important to nangen ku dele pio manatu ke yen pirko yen ko pir
especially at that age,
yen ko pir.
Yeah, especially at that such young age, it's completely wrong. Kukachira kalo what the parents don't understand. Blame, and that is happening under your own roof. I mean English dead or no, you have eyes, you can see with your eyes on TV. Make by 8:30. Well, 8:30 exactly. We were in bed. 8:30. At 8:30. You need to have specific bedtime story. Bedtime with your children. Yeah, a social worker. Yeah. So I work at a school with children. I can make tango. Came at the school ibiala nina. Can you quite do a dollar? Pidalo school ibila nina, but try a balloon investigate and women would bend school in and Mulora. Metkala leg with the Bandela Gala was playing GTA last night. Quayalo GTA. That's GTA is 18 plus. Even bolo to a game store, GTA and a man Filipino getting white. Go to the counter, kule Shanyana would Mario game for my children. Go a man Filipino ting go white kule to the counter. Go ting salesperson, you can't buy this, it's over 18, you have to get a parent. Beben white and go man jaben. So how are these children purchasing 18 plus games? GTA and any tieko lotin. Kating ye cars, kayik speeding, ye thefts. Ka kating look imitate men, a cake at your gangs,
Nyebenda ya even online game. Chairman, which is a live streaming. IP address is actually known. Now the pictures are being wirelessly taken over to the other side. This big game with a lot of time appear okay. Kichi me tinga kichi tingu bi guling mama de mama I want this. What is that? Because people think that you will compound men do with devices. Exactly the same thing happened. Now my 7-year-old daughter, which is the youngest in the family, she don't have a device. Minang device can I mean to why the 12-year-old and the 10-year-old. Kukake yiga to kulka cake. And only software to tip are installed by the school. So my children have an ability to download anything. I also came home and restrict the download to my and I could be anything downloaded. Take a Luyan alert, Kenya and and Baba. I need this software. I go and read the background of that app. Exactly. If I can allow it, is it free? I cannot give you a free one because there is an advertisement, and that advertisement can actually mislead you. So I will have to pay for it. So that the advertisement will go in front of it, bejal. The kakaman, apiatina wake, tangina manira and Kirero Australia runka, apiatina kemania kere, tunde Kirero Australia, uchato langali, pure kucharero kawajat. Like in our generation, warbo, we have this assumption, and Koromandia move with a yen kor. Kukikor is destroying him, all right.
No, but the thing
Young yin kor yena wichilu monitor.
I think they have to understand that Jack kicha ting tim can really gamut out of because I'm keeping jam this one parent and Monday gam everything that they want because kiachi be nang mashakil ka moinde. Kumane a good wound. Lakin tinga a jinang mashakil ka moinde ka chintien med be pull be nang relationship ka wound. Kai ting kiyene man do comfort by materialistic things.
By devices.
Exactly. Lakin yin parent to go bin med gam something to me and man. Like when do you think or it's a prep last team and you want I can let you get an award in school can but what those Nike socks that you want or those that basketball that you want or that Nike drink bottle that you want create ben a jot bagamet yin parent kira loy tang med like med gam create ben kalang no you have to teach children they have to work for it because this is the real world. You have to remember to prepare for tomorrow. You have to remember to prepare for the future. But the kid young gam create ben let me do work for it. Bijam okay, yan good can yan go that iPad. Okay, to go in that iPad, what do you need to do? I kebele kalanga le bare by but lu hang out with the right people or banada follow by. No, go back to educational purposes. Bianca be mandu kalu encourage. Le kalanga le yin menasede. Tikin lu get that kete in bagor tutor tikin lu that maths thing which you pass or whatever in class can like jam teacher and you've been doing good or you haven't been rude to your teacher you've been playing in the playground well then you reward your child like that ku command luna reward lu follow up like in me gam materialistic things here what sort of a child but lu bring up tin lu ka chit kaka this is not how they're going to face tomorrow. We need to be very careful kalwel yan men digre pan aye kaman kedi kyol kaman and rare pan a Australian and rare Australian Hollis and rare pan a common and a rare pan a common passport carry the passport meet carry the unclear white we cannot be pan be roy berry and be regale panda when can look at treat the way we are being treated. So you have to bubble pan koku but take them to take any but look at the education but Australia thank you could you gam this education what wabija do kin book panda yabana lu build now and that's what we have to do buglu work together. Another point, Gubalu make a very important work. Bugnang have people within our community. Bugnang lawyers, Bugnang doctors, Bugnang social workers, Bugnang teachers, because Bugwayi Jamat, because men, Bugnang quite quanta parliament, can't call you gum, because we don't have people in those places. We need quite quant vocalatin. Support Kolatanke.
Another thing in here, talking. Like when I was talking in the first video, I sometimes talk out of frustration because what I have in my brain today is that I'm addicted to voluntary work because I believe and I'm going now my wife love my wife and really chat when I jack and be prepared for another few hours because I love your run. Kujaran yok culture din ayoran kulwalay kudwali cholnga then I have to spend 10 minutes talking kaba dil le word of advice kaya na lawyer ya because we look ayeka wan rana che topic no rana to kuke chol wer ku chawan ka wer ki muchila tango man we are not taking advantage of will we are not taking kupin no men e wer in kaya so jamandune na ting na nen ka ni be ka achi yibiti man di reru de run ka tero pro chin ka rer ba etna or below the tanga ko kiri kunde akiri in we lo ba ya pi to nge wa la ba etna ka we lo ngo na lo ni tu che man den ko ko ka move and ya social work and ya community development work until into journalism I've been visiting a school. I'm a parenting facilitator but na lera kulule ping palago how tall I am or how short I am lekin ping ke diene na piel go and use it for the benefit of your own. Technology wise, kriyong mi kwa atawur. Culturally, kriyong mi kwa atawur. Kawaja anang this little. Kawaja want to react to what has actually gone wrong inside. And then the child, they want to respond to that. So let's accept that and then also come out with the solution. A solution is this. And I'm going to you are done they blame police we carry on me go boy police go jail okay. You walk on me okay. How do shoplifting you walk okay? Do we tell them to shoplift? Go no. Go get up. When they attack and start stealing, yeah, wind up. Go no. Child protection. Go bowling to okay. Now child protection we have a now registered foster care parents. So then I don't jot from this cable in the Rubiakuma Bela Yek Rand that one Sudanese could be moved. Okay. We have a respite program whereby now you're getting when on a trouble youth. This youth are no problem. Now a respite program whereby we can actually say, okay, judge, this kid is better, but let's try to rehabilitate him. Not let's try to rehabilitate him, and if he can be well, then do you have a respite program? So how do you blame us when you have when you are offering nothing to your community and you expect us to offer you something? Happen boy. Now we get go okay. Man community, community, one association. Kuwa community na association ayot misken way. Kwa akor bi kirma yadi lokony or akor bi riyong cha lokony. Miskona your way. Where is your domestic program here? Kilwa keko anaka yela yogale yung in ko la tito ko to junub na ti ke yung lo ko chan ba we tito na ya ba tito ko ba yi ke chingiti. If you are doing nothing, why would I ask you? So na luin ko dulce man ko war ti ko tieng ala kula ko bi mi dala kurba e kula kula men do tuyo ka le yung ine be le man de lo tin tinga e buke tinga de.
You know the thing is yeah, I think what our people are forgetting is, you know, like Baba made it so nice and clear when Joe went in. Any opportunity he gets, he tells us, "Gala, you're quite better for a better life and education." But at the same time, what you have to remember, Londo, you're quite in as a parent, because my mom, even like sometimes titanke by kula out or something, katida jilo ban by na lega mama chiti, you know, and chinang meet kwanchinang pandi una tit. Wo jam pet lon parent cheto, gal and chilo binto pingum, gal nelon parent, gal lon parent cheketo, okay, gal you know, would be you being a parent easy. So our parents, some of our fathers and mothers, they're forgetting gal meet can I did, I did. The Yankee to Ben credible and to Kuyan lo Jula when they talk. But they don't know that Londuke go Kojake. You have to, but Mandu Jamake. It is the way it is. And sometimes you still have to forget about Kokun Loike. Because politics are the two Kak Sudan to Kak Sudan. Kak Australia and Kak Australia. Kak long Facebook yin. Kak politics yin. Kuwan rule about South Sudan. Yana went to South Sudan. I interviewed various ministers, and you can't look at the president himself because and a journalist one. I know all this sort of stuff. South Sudan work, it's all about who you know, not what you know. Give up. If you don't have those connections, you will not get anywhere. So bag will put time with content and a cup the mark because can way good results. Kumit kun kat ni wa nyang muk. Kamit kun South Sudan be up tomorrow for work. We're quite good bag of coin now. It's our country, yes, we want to make it better, but there's a bigger problem at hand right now, and this problem needs to be handled. Because man, because getting shara yen kawaja bana chikoy man, and kwa ka jago loku chit ko choli niggas, you ko jatang, you ko jala tin kuyana ran lui. I pay my taxes. I don't go to anybody's door kawaja thief or anything, but I chiko jata all in one category, based on a small minority group of Kag South Sudanese. So as parents, we need to know that you have to continue. You have to continue. So it does not stop there. Kin child protection, a jagger. I let you know squat you got 10. They're rolling here. I have a whole day. I was watching for like 2 hours. Yeah, the first video. Kinshan, I was serious. I've been waiting for someone to go online with a topic like this. Kin child protection, wake our parents. Sometimes you quite cake by it happens. It's hard but banged by quite cake. Lucky and I catch all wood kumakada. I can take quite a cake and a quite a noctin. Quite a loy meeting. I just allow me. You're training your child to be like that tomorrow in their own home. You're training your child to be angry. You're training your child to be angry. Another thing women need to know is you need to stop because or Rosato goes both ways. You don't just quit jama. Your mother you won't chat. And do it in Baba Duncan. I get a kuna kaka quite pangak. Bagaban gam of siat padushnush. I can lose. Tomorrow in a month and a bangam of siadi. Monday tomorrow be any pinku be attack. You see? So you need to bucket but you invest your time and your emotion on your children. That is the only way forward. I can there. I can king what can't pull ping long ten for men women command. You guys are not the first people be their report. So can you working co-parenting is very important. People need to learn because you co-parent in front of children. Best part best. It's just a matter of a few minutes. Back by could back by roam another fortnight or another week. Shan be me the thing. Just calm down a little bit because these children can't go low school tomorrow. I'm telling you, it's not a good situation. Be at it.
Now, you bring that. First thing, the society that we live in today, we must accept that pork is gonna happen. Whether weak or not is not something that is going to finish because there are reasons: domestic violence, financial abuse, sexual abuse, external abuse, external issues affecting you. That the local way you go when you can. I will tell you a story on. And I prove it warachi anang history kid judge trial of divorce court chelo. I two black couples. Yen winter ganang eye problem so yen maton ting they ben because he has a first divorce. Now just ting they number 2 la ben go ngajalo nyiban yen ketat cheti ko ban chatat. Yen ke queen tal ku jor breakfast mi adur be yak agene ku jor ku wait pin ku lo create ban ku yen is actually disabled. Now on ke jor tik jor now that was 2 years ago. Go tik jor yen makama. Ale ku jor jai Tyler jor thi yong why are you divorcing him? Golweli is not a man enough. Golo how? Golweli yen a ben chai. And Louis breakfast, okay, cleaning the house, and I have been waiting for the punch. He cannot even just punch me one day. Go tell Louis. So, Lily, Kerur Chirka Kaka Korke by. But a chipion to Lily any Monchico? Okay. Y'all think young inti lawyer, young to go Lily yen. I have a first divorce, and I thought that he had a right. So I go Nala, my second wife, Labe. I better treat her as a queen, but now it turned out actually it is not what it is not the right thing that I've done. So whether you do it what, then our personal behavior or teaching what acting will always lead to such relationship difficulties. So, man, we have to know that at a certain point, we will have problems. Kuna problem, because then we need to understand the importance of co-parenting. Every parent, whether you might and right to have access to midcare, unless if that parent was violent toward them.
Or
but if that kid
like that.
Or drug or unless na ye yiti kana mo ke tor come on to ke ga kin ke kana mit they are still a father and a mother. You can get a local way, Pelkapo, Weberpo. The Kinacha Jalpo, come at the Kinipol, be in a mama or baba. Yen, take advantage of mama and baba, and take advantage of manangek, or wooningek. You are still wooningek and you are still manangek.
Exactly.
And then try to use that advantage. Ben where it are even better and you telephone manangek, manati you will be able actually to please your heart. In a Kayana Darren Hinge. There and she the former wife, a child of you are Tibito. Go there and him, but I think will buy any upper walk. Why did we divorce each other? Because the adrenaline are relaxed. So we are going to have difficulties. But we must not take advantage. We must not use difficulties to destroy our children. We must use the difficulties to separate and grow in different ways, husband and wife. Lakin we have that vanishing point of
boundaries and balance.
And balance kubukamu. It can be but nobody take it. Alwela bajalwele kwane. Ting chen pio war ambi ting piat jala bayman. Ting bijal war achin ting piata. I can think Ethiopia or I can Monpiat.
Yes.
People are of the same characters.
No, I really understand. Yeah, they could take culture shock and but be think you got because walk about book a quan by big a lu keep. Till in by the two in a tea, I go quite pano. I go quite key jam where or I call neck. Where we got it, we're quite taking, we're quite proud. You learn by two color, Chida quite yen color, quite yen color. I quite kick your root young and muka, I quite means that. So you have to bargain to need to king of bake or to let me bake. Yeah, I'll present the whole family name. Your family name is very important, but we take very important. Maybe we got a thing we quite attend is not important. Like it is something very important. Koba you tomorrow to let me today you can't to let wait. Family name is something very important that you have to keep very, very well. And reputation do kuja reputation kang mitku. And that's why we get thinking that well gal koja gumbe. Culture a culture. Like in the jatting yan man, tia ten, tiagwa bera blue, bera white, bera pink, bera brown. It is all the same. We are all going through the same thing. So by the day, we're taking culture shock. Muko kwan kaga mwanjang ka ten Australia. Kumuko kwan kaga Australia. Kayu getting my father always said, "Kaka tinga ka padin kin Australia lamka kaka tinga krai palka." Kulamka kwan kaga ba ka do keep. Kaga very, very, very important because tia tianga e jalwe gal ka ko big lo pir kawaje panakin culture. Akin culture. Ke Olympic Games one kin 2000 lo Australia 10 ke safinjada ke ta ke culture kujala yi town gal ka yi Bondi Beach. Do they have culture? If it wasn't for Aboriginal, can you lose safe? Can you Aboriginal? I can be by yet by. Can you koi but you be sake can you what kujala yi barbecue Olympic and I get January I can culture then kakawa yet. They do not have culture. I am serious. I'm not even being funny. I can culture. So who keep culture that you probably right because of this of this sort of stuff. Also, I've been happy. Some parents, Timmy and men, and you can come here to YouTube, come here songs one artist for Kiban Yaleninka. Timmy coin and Slave Nation, can you songs can take a yin and beam. Can you wood you out, could become you out. It's good to sit down with your children, but you educate. Quell cane panda. Uganda cake a child wood neck. These are cows. Can a quite ninka walk. Kids dog your age now I'll be work like other cock a talk to take your where there big yeah, you have to teach your children. You have to teach your children. It's very important. I have this conversation with my children.
And out of what I was out of the course that I was talking about, the parenting course, it's saying this. Cultural rite of passage. Political rite of passage, financial rite of passage, all these, whenever you give them, even donation, it is a cultural rite of passage. You can de. Alwera kaka kuchaka yenmet, you could hear kuchaka yenmet ben, even to the point na ka waja lwela
Mm.
na yemet na yu ko diaw we no ran den ki to kala ra te to
Mm.
because ting de bu ko diaw can be na emotions be na ngi jana ngi ra en ka waja en ka na no ran ruwa ka yin men de kin flower ku kin de ka flower ku bi la ran bi ran udi den bi la ting because me the corporate pure emotions a command a corporate pure ke cho lost a corporate pure ke cho pion ikene ye ke dia ku ke dia ne ja. That is what you are doing now. In ka yella in ka pia. Ayan ni an lo indulwar kulare ku dear one mitya. And a dear one ke or even in the house. Not all the videos that I posted, but sometimes and dear baben ku dear okay or even I tease them kulala baba dear. There is a joke that I always tell them, Baba dear, my dad was a singer, but I'm not a singer. My dad was a singer, but Woodwan Baba Duneche singer. Kajal dollar weekend. Come on. Baba was your dad a dancer like our dad? It sounds silly, but what am I trying to do? I'm trying to establish a communication.
Relationship.
But
And teach them about the culture.
Then the question is, I have been thinking, okay, if Baba do dear can yin like us? Well, okay, Baba dear can, but unfortunately I lost him when I was 11. Oh, then now we reach to the point of emotional, we reach an emotional state. Then how do you would? Okay, kaka juer. Kilar panakim. Mi chin panakim. Chin panakim eleriatin. So you want to tell me a chin panakim? Yes. Now it has given us a story to talk about South Sudan. Let's come together and learn how to talk to our. They are silly, but they give you time with your children. They're what they call parent-child relationship. Are here
Exactly.
together.
Exactly.
Universities. Why wouldn't you come and talk in nonsense?
It's just establish a relationship. Because that is the way that they can marry. That's why they get confused. They don't know what to do because Alu gets stuck between the two cultures. So they just act out. You know, me the man, me the man. I said the thing what I always say. They are teenagers. They're very lucky because time jana kito. Our young mothers men be meet up were the ones that are in big problem because meet kwa in this issue. Our kids are going to have a hard time in this country if this is not fixed now. Now Bilu fixed now. Bilu settled down quickly. Kimitwa Kabina have a hard time growing up in this country because the way things are going, it is getting tough. Kenya well we quite a time work ban wadi dire command. Actually, Libya jada poor it could Jamaican Australian. Yana can buy you and law abiding citizen. Yeah, me too, I'm a law abiding citizen. But I did go to me near Germany to share at Timco. Be all do a gun fine. You see what I mean? I did go there yet. Just
I was shocked. I was shocked when I was actually, if I were these young people getting it because I'm black, but it was actually my mistake. And when they came, and the second question was, have you ever had any trouble with police before? And I said, no, I no, I have never. Well, okay, that's when we will forgive you and you go. Now, I was not a journalist then. I have done a mistake. Our people need to understand. Hey, I will try to bring it. I promise where in Bajalpol, I make sure that I will then look, I cannot just restrict things to my journalistic work. I have to be a father, so I'm not doing this thing. I'm not doing this as a journalist, but as a father. So we're going to quit and jam tulba. He's a journalist by.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Lotte.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thanks everybody for watching. Thank you. I enjoyed my time. Okay, come here,
Thank you.
I can't like it.
More than you look at my uncle.
Thank you. Okay, bye-bye, Jack. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See
Bye.
you. Bye.
Bye. Alo kwal we agudi ai we cha akwai chaba tem chamba lo tem ku bai tem ku duwe ya ke camera tower rotation anti jal ko anti ko dak anti num to ga lo cha 4 hours kon kin pure ko ya ta de man kin de jam ta ban tin alo lo camera rotated. Let me try that ku and we ba abacha cheke cheke ku ba agudi abe ku ba la ta jana te lo mi adu. I didn't know that it will go that far. Tati guru. Achi decline alwel. Manyandeng in babe in lo yade tabe decline gan. Oh, kudwa.
Jack, Jamot,
Akudia. Kirwon.
Lodi,
Nura chime generate.
I can make it is okay.
No incha wonyen.
Oh, you can go?
Light. Nuto inom ni ale nura chi numere. Do riko well lo sitarat.
Okay, go there. You are beating the Yana, the Jananto to Chol.
I want in a kadun when I want a good like that. Yes. A lot of you lot in pay. Kudwal. Kudwal. I think I lot in line and ching and Jamaica Kate when a jar queer I got puke. Because kanga kichato na jal kuinga ko riok pio ka chingi jwala yewe
No,
something.
Ali wa jagin ci gore pio ke gana le am ben anje hiding of your show cha yowin ko cha kwen ke tu nga mat ko ke ping le ka mon jeng ka ping wen we cha mo ben we ko to gede yin cha mo dina jak topic cha ben ya le che topic ra che topic pet wo ko jam ka won mit yina ja wo ji ko ko ki wo ko an ka ku ju ke kwa cha topic kiri ke cha ben ya ke very educated for our community wo je ben pan pe lakin majority of us one bi wo boko wona nga assumption that le wo tinete pet edi chi pan nyal ku ke ti ni ka ju to e kana che wo affected in a jack so to be jiri kene ku jaba e man chino ba kene is very good ajan en man ga manya nga kin ba gelen ku ga ga birande gelen from this topic ke ka ba le na jack pan ka waja ra ko e very clever it wani bi ko tene an calculation ye loy calculation ye big you paran gmi ko wali ye big you mi ko wan tu ben ba ni na jack wo je ben ku bo wo je la ko lo ko ku je nang mi ko adir men wo ko wan bo ke rang na ru ge tier ku choya ba ni mi ko chi be wo je mi da chu ko bo cho ko lo kal ja pe yare ku wo je ru ina jack kal ja wan bi wo tin inferior ake kal ja lui wo chin ta mi da kid bran jo nyu ken mi ga ku je le mandi an ga chi la fi ka le win ku le la win nga wina duen ke kai ko protect wani na jak so ke ni na jak to wo je mi ko yene very bad freedom freedom a win ci ga bu ko ke mi to man mi ga jenang problem with the law in this country aye ko go blame sometimes but you don't blame them, you blame the upbringing ko your parent yung chugu loy for the kid could be in up there so ke ni na jak ke tabe nyal egpit joting na jak wa to wo pan monjang ye lela met aye ba ye pio aye wile na ye pio aye nyan kina ye pio aye ra ro ke bina ye pio but ba itene yino mit ku dito ku kawaja ina na rika mit most of the time bogu to ba o mit ku chinta ba nyu wene ke ku ba ka pio ke yemi la yugo to bi ina ga la yugo pio de to ba so ke ni ja wo ko we paran je benetene we must step up bugu mit ke kiria kamen bugu ting ku ra won bugu guide won cultural shock a chan pan ka waja ma to wo tene ye lele yen no one will teach you the law what is the law? When you break the law, you have no excuse. But le ana kulum aliu ayel le lum pass the parliament aji taw gazeti ku everybody is aware until cool binojo donko kala tinji law mikle kinina jak topic wini jabe nyale for every parent we have to invest in our kid now kudu woni yelo woni indire woni midgu this is what we need benang cultural time ajaga guji mis ko mane mis ko alwe lagi chike jam token mis ga afare mis ga afrika culture an chole bere wi lakini ale ko kulele wo culture dani op ga yen ko dino e mane kula tong mis gare ba jam token ala wo tong mis bi nam a jam token lakini ala tong mis ko an gi jing men it's very difficult to make jam tong jing why because para ne gwel kamis a guji para na win ku ingilizi ayelwele mi buga gwel so kini na jak ke ayelwele ran ku language akuje culture man kuje dinga language achi culture dinga chilbengi ekene ina jak ko bugu loyo be ko yi bugu mi ko changi culture bi ke tina tieki lakini mane ayelwele for example pane chola africa wala pane chola junubizan pane chok pane bit pane tuwa kuje lwele yinmet ye na chikini logi mbale africa chara africa chi ayut ke punishment kini na jak negative attitude ay be meti ye negative attitude ay ya ne me jakil ke lwele ti bi wotin wogo bo achan pa anda chiriya wogo bo char wo ko nyo kini na jak ako bugu mi pio yitiege culture ako bugu mi pio yitiege chengda ku ka ye gol gi parent bai ba mi ku ba ka pio tongdu bi tongdu ngi ku je lwele yin ran yara ante gi ran tongde ran yara anti git era ngi culture de a jaga ngi chalo won kir mi bi na gede Jamaican culture ayu mi de lui rap ngi mane ku lo ko kimme kina jaga chili ba pingi oke lakin mi ti ge re yin ke ga bu kar ku le gi chigi dit ping e culture e chol le ke culture ka gede culture be like America a chimi ko adapted ku ke culture ti ga violent a chan that culture a bi nyal ke culture won violent amil ko yera lui rabin kay you assume yen culture kene so kini na jak for example koy ke to ke diar ke ga to mi nyiri jenge menya ku tina rum ke ti wuro ke yeman me ke de pio ju ku le yin nyani jing a chela cham karan ku nyani jing a chile bla cham ka men ku nyani jing a chiran ku a chile bla woi ta chating ekini na jaku yogo le mi ko ke yene culture yene value balwel yin nyanti ke dikrera ande digam ke free anything free ye men roy yin ke digam ekini na jaga liyo kono wo e mana loy birthday party e mi won tungen kinjo me da jala ba ke da birthday party ku yin ku ko tika invite ye yinga abilo ko jome men Jamaica abilo ko bi men mi ko wajara abilo ko bi ke men abilo ko je no man and you know this kid what they do I clever than us abilo ko jeng lu communicate ku ka abilo ko jeng network de loy ku yini parent you don't care ben chil ba me ben ti gara won chila what was the experience yo jala tin ye ko ne e kini na ja mi ko achu ko pol bere lu ku ga le ko lo ala yin ka wajara ko pit lakini ya men du chama ka wajangi ka waja wini ngi ka ngi pande ko ngi ke loy pande yene jama ken yen e kini na
manyangda na ba diet ka lwel ke ban ke ban ku thank you so much yen ki ci yalo ke mantin a ke ben ma ken ka wajat ke ka ya madrut kuma den ke madrut mantin onane lu war ko ye chol African Holistic Social Service ku ti nongen ke chaping on 207 on neuntin chol yeb goni kaka Melbourne aro dai gol won gol kaka Melbourne aye jali yo ke yiglo ba it man ke man jamo ko je ke kana mi don ki child protection ke ka ajor cases to en 207 208 na loko ku yele ke ka ka bila ku ye ke taw into a strict families ka kawaja ke ber ke cholu ne ke jal pande ne yugi chol e freedom ko ka ke loko yo ko pan ke ni ka lartin ke very strict now ka jal bela ku jal ko friends ken ko ko chon jal ko ku jaga yor we pan un ken ka lo restricted thing ku bo ku anim la chen pan poster ke ku kanim la chen pan mama den ka mo ku jal ka san ling lo ku lo ndul because a chin par ka wa ja tu ka ku ken mo ku ja ka tem ma nyang ka mit nyana run tier I can say evidence ka ting nyana run tier ku ngane cha ka na dunge run tier ku ber ku ke ga jal ka yo ke because yen ano ngun den chi jala yo ka jala ku jala ke den o ku jala cham jala te ke to ai cases an chi jam ani nyu yo ke ayo ke an di lo ndul ku bati yo lo ra I will give you one example. Kulwala wa chadon man ko last year. Wa chadon man mi chetn wala tu kana tungne an chalwa bitin. Akiro kan lo ye chenge jenge. Buke ye cho ring ba ten chakaw warwa to woro ko wakin kan kwala ring. Ring du judurom. Be man ya belo ndol ring bu kwal. Ke ma doy na tingen. An chi be nyen belo yu. Ku jal jaman chi bu koñ. Awon jal bolis banan chi bolis jal long. Ku kito ten ki ene ki chir kin lo because aro ja dorut kuna chiro ja dorut ka pe ka chin mento ki ki jana ku lo ke a lo ru ke men ko ken ke ku ka lo ru ke men the mainstream society ke mana du ke ka jal ke yene very aggressive behavior a chiro ber pingen ko ken ku ka chiro ber pingen ken society to because e lo la tile ka we chani ko chol ye na jal ben ku jal ke dong ke leten na bi ku jal ke dong ke leten ki bi jal go ya a bere kene ba jal gwala tiya ke yemet kule du ba tang man na chi la du ta ba tang man ke ka kuma la yut nga na men ke me now iran un ti me palwe you become now a young grandmother why ku ke kon palwe to un ke inda aka yi ga ting ka ka ban a les bu nyu pin ku bu dew ana ke chi pan chol jawre ne ku ka ngwen burana dio ka pir den bula dio ke chito na chu dio ka pir ka ni la nerwo ke ka ka ban ni ne agudi ai akira and then we are not paying attention ku er ka le ko jine agud kanisa ai ko we le ma nyang ke cha ke ja ma nyang yo mu mi good ba ber wole 20 minute ko le ba ja ma kanisa ke ye chu ko te even we are actually teaching when ke ye chu bunang ken pet
Eyen, jag achan batu ka jaka ju jairo loy tong wo jem. Wo chen ki chol nyale ja ben. Wo che bogo lwel ku chu nyale gam. Ye nyale ja ben kene kake kapyed ke. Wo chen ke chol sakaba che ben kene kapyed ke. Ku kare ga to. Kare chu ko lo nyale ja to. Ku wan anan kage jing wan chu ben kanisa anan kage jing chi bol a che ke lwela jana ye lwela chi ke tiya jo. Ke an ken lwela ja ke jan lwele jing jure chol jing kal ja da tiya ke gor bible to ko rin ko e ber klo de ke gor bible all what we believe tiya ken yen ko ne tan ko a jaga mane you for example pure kanisa pure ne ko pure kanisa ko ke to men I don't think nen session le bi ko kanisa bebe ke bi ke mi nyir pure bi ke pure the value the core values a chana jin ka kanisa a che ba core values ko aka woni ko goro do ko values ke kumit ko an jeng men nya ye men nya e dodi ye de tane the same men nya ku chite che gol a chan wana ngi ku ko dai te nya e te a chi nya te gol ka ko be ne to ke idea be le yi ni lo another stage of life ke ba lo yan kin ku 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 je le ka reality in life a chan me dan fantasy ku ja reality me te ke do lu me fantasy ka won che reality ka ye do lu me ke yi so kana le burut ko ye paren ko to ke dia mi da piu de ke tien men nya mai tin wan yen jing men nya ke la cha gran ku men nya ke la cham chare men nya ke la cha ken ran hun ku mi ko mane e bena ne possibility le ben men nya ali bi me ruwa ga ya a jan a ke beti a ku ruwa ya nya ali bi me ne ne ya ka ku ye ne tan men mo ali bi lo ko yu nya ku le whatsapp akui ye ngiri ji nga nyu jo men nya ke yeti yera an to know ye mama du yeti know ye nyan ku yeti bin ba kon ngi ale ke jole woro ai e kene kweri ne ka imparted e tru ci jamina jak ku ka ku chigiliu ke ne cultural breakdown
No,
so
I
ako bugu na
manyang kichi ko yong ke exactly kichi alwel kichi ko yong ke anan ko chiro loile na jamu ya man ga manyang den ga yen ke ya ran ter e ko bi jam yi ka ter war ga jal wela ya ran to ja ti ya ka je dir ku ko ka ter man ni jol manyang den ga lwel ku le jamu mendu ku jamu de ku le acha ka du mendu ka ye na ka yi jem ka yen ku ngo ki ye lo che man ne na ga pe che lwel wen anang bunga parenting yan training lo antene I'm telling you kicha lwelu ne kiye chorin chanu manyang mu war manyang ay mu kangera ay mu rin ga pa kwande na ulian ku ka ye mu rin ga paneden e ka
panedin
ka ber ku jal ka ben ku jal lwela ka lwela more dit ko te ke yela ku ure dit ko te ke yela ya ku ure ke ne lo wan acha karano ne cha ataka example an baba dia cha jora balate naga kone naga konu ni chol jiria gola ku joren ka ne run ber kulera balare tim ko tim echen lele akone ru ko lete na won ga lobo ko te to u ne chol pagon alwe ku jala be alwe tim chan bi tiane ko ke ku jal tong da je ko mo gud be jalo anan to wen jo lele ku jal toreten now an ku ja kongo but because of nankene anjala kon bi tim go anumle ko da ke die je o ye na jol ku jol le ti ku jol dinde taw e dinde ja to ku le ka chan de ku le kwa ne jo ke tie no ga na ku jol dinde taw ku jol na ke no tie no mari ara wom lo ale alwel de nga jo le ken mangadi ka jawo yin what does that do to me with me but every to ka 11 years but I'm telling you now everything ele can ben that when they are just very helpful in ka yen pia a kirga yin ke don ken we na cha pe na degree du masters ku ka ku men ka ga kun ka te ke lekin please use tiene jem mi ko motin unta kwat rin ke ayi ki charin ga kone yi ki charin ga kwere e kwere ye kan lo yide it is advisable even parenting expert ye lo ku le yen cultural roots akin da pay ke chol pride of that society yen ke man du choy ma ton ko da e mento ke man wa to wo ko je jamer yin ga be ya garan ma biura la mia yin ga be ya ko ma nyanga la mia yin ga be ya kir ma yin ko wo to mo pio ku jali yetin garan ko de garan kwa ki yin lo yin la di to ko bara pio ji jam du to ku le te da ba ya jam la mia che ngade kama na
ke
kichi
garang
jalo
biur
ke na tike ke chiran jem ke manyan ke twe ke yene ko ka ngwe mere le Jamaica ku jala yi ku di di loya le I work ke mentor ke because yen there is a
ayen
vacuum
there is a
there
vacuum
is a
yep
vacuum lot
exactly
ga
ayen ajangda I will ju jare ku kai will ko touch they touch people chan wo ko nang mi ku wo ko benang mi we are in a wilderness I think we are a very big wilderness wo to culture diterate culture da ne kawaja ato wotin we either survive or book ya lost achana bugu ya lost ke bi chen ke legu mi ko achan wo generation wo be ja ku generation there be ben keni na ja e ke pe da red ko woni anu la yin le je one of the exceptional topic achan is about our kid is about our future in this country wo ko ba etene mi ko achu ko be jo aja ti ma woni ko won chin lwel culture is something akin gor ku chirani lwel ke jal yena mi culture Jamaica lo yena ye culture be like American lo ke yin American ding ya ne ke lo culture de ni ta ay ga jor panden ku le ke to ko ko irut go culture de ni je be be chana yon ke go ko culture ya adopted man yena ye ni mi ko they just take anything the ya ndu ya ko cho la chana lwel ke a chi ru to be like American ke yena ye ke ya ko cho ke ni na ja for us buku chen problem with the law in this country a buku le mi ko big long big te big culture ken big te ye culture anybody ko ba culture du achan anenge lwel ku lwela culture du na wani ni bogan yin wala yin yu mamadu tini yene culture teke achin culture ji dito ke ye pinga ben pio ko kanisa ken ku ko ju ben saka ba ju egde e be ga ba ye jolo anen krat ke nye anen ke jidit ke en tawti ajak ti ma un jana lwele men mo ja ye pio men mo wan ku cha kon jino ku chin mon to ku chi diar chi ringa kon chi chaw ka chwa ya lum go bia men mo jen kon ke tiep a chana le lati a chi li ba kon ti kon tiep ka me ka ti ka de to ke de ka chin mon to ka me
I learned
a
that
lo
now.
ti ya na lo yin to chwa ke lo ya iti ke men mo ja le men mo e kro ra yeti yene ane ke ben ke jajur bay ke ya lo no mo jigene yan bloy yene reason yene le la kon ajin yara kon yo I ro ga kon yo ko discrimination a division of work wo in our family wo ko to ban ka waja te ku loy midror ke war won ke da ya ti kam dile ko du ya ro marken ko bu do ku bu ko bio bu leke wo che ko nyo wo ko irin mi ko ke le baraja mi ko ne ga ni ku ya performance
They
at
are.
school jene me be
They are.
ekene me they are performing well ayeka waja
Yeah.
usake lo le yin I know you don't need to do this one. You don't need to do sign. Because I have an inferiority complex. And then get a man there, Jack. Man, they joy black chocolate. One of my son, I joy black chocolate. Could you have been upset? Go look ya. Jale Kabela will kill ya. If I were an in ranchon, I'm very proud. Could thank you. Jale Kabia look stupid, what you were voting. When this child went back to the class, very bully, black chocolate. Well, yeah, this is my skin. I am proud of it. Lakin, thank you for being silly. Chatting, I can't be a bully, I would call it. Lakin, I took a loom and get a problem. Kuba choice to cool it. Kubala girl came and I've been trauma. I will buy a ranchol, ye crack. Lakin, Pigu Milqua, Deljo Lachira, Chalma, you know what I get it. Oy coiril, I attack. Kedega chuo dum kien. Lakini I attack a chira our milkwa. Yinku milkwa that this country they will fit. Milkwa abenke doctors, abenke lawyers, abenke anything. Kapenka woga man, abika yunum den. Kumana ja, koi kwan keto man. Ya de kachuka sheep ko boa, ko koi ka chi divide. Kawajada ya surprise. How can these people koi ka boa na kun? Aka chi did it. Lakini they are blending well. Ananga chi man kawaja la lewan on biwo. Anang Santa yen koi go boy I support. Awan kala je ka waja le what is problem with you with South Sudanese? Ye lelo we many bay we allo you don't come to this one facility for you. Why you don't come and kida yan bo ben ko? Well, you know what? Allo we are grateful to ben in this country. Wo ga nen ka to yen ko lui ka men ko to ke yen ko ba. Ko man kra ba. Ra ne to ko maton na yin ro yu gi re lo gudu ne chokin kara anda chi lebe to kwen anda chi lebe to kwen ke ne chok lakini ne chok jalo kine itiega jalo le bikire yan biko chi lele sumalingu ko ka cha be lere anele ka rere ni 2 years ka boto wo lakini South Sudanese which ben they lose the touch with us ache beto wo jaga kene yene ko bugu pio ayele men mo ku men mo ti dir ayime bena ja men mo ku ti won ben dir ti ben e ka yele di polo nyi can I lay why? A good yan can I take a pool gay? They say, man, ya, elwell, deep polo wetty. Kajiga, Kakachuka polo, Jakachuka bellwell. May the be turning 12 money? A good jalwell, yeah, this is the uncle talk, man. Midaru, you could an HL
Message Mexico Snapchat.
May Gayagaloy, I Louis login, I you make Sudanese young, I Louis login and name Munchil Barakonize. You will never recognize those names. Communication ali big loy wako ki liu kenu ku ki a parent approach ko baloy e ba pio ku le yinme ki ra loy social media ki ra loy on ke chol bishel well ki ra loy tinen kini na jag yene te bi wo mi ko kon bugu le weti ku le weti this is out yene man jeng yene kartin man jeng a chile bi man mo a chan ki mi ko ro loy mane ane nya jumwe ka yu le jalba jagba me da yo bu jalba bilaga a ti me jori ka tina jag mu be ben ku bogo yelwel ku lele ye nga ki jam kene yi lakini ne nyane jenge yu ko chire ko ken ne mo nye jenge yu ko chire ko ken ai balit ko bu ko pi mi ko ina jag ku wo ka chan batu ina jag water in a better wilderness kawaja ane ran history stolen generation here in this country che kwen ke system yene ko no system a chi set ali bino ki dal kiche said again it ko ga nenga paane ato in the system ka che dede ati yerin ko alwela ka assimilation achi yerin ko empowerment lakini alogo you get the same policy ka yerin gwe wo ko we ko chul achi ka waja wotingo wo ko chira e ka le bo no through the system ale be system be mi ko project ke mi raj be mi ko be ke mi of low value e kene ko we parent we need to step in achi kurbuga kuma ye bana leku achi kurbugu go kida emendu ina jagdo mendu manyanga do mende any parent do mende kupio do mendu culture du yongo yeyu tijura ra ku le culture du yongo yelwe culture du che kanisa culture du ko wani lwe ke yeteki yene culture ku jobe mare kanisa janji lwe ko dabula nyal achane ra ne chol mamer maluk ngi ne ni na jak mamer maluk ko ke se le je jamri ti ko ke che de mi hawo mane ke che karaje loy e mamer maluk ne du pi jon to Ethiopia ke ayini yani yeb jo be kriye be lwe karaj aye lwe ra ne che kuru nyir ke me yakene karaja chi ali ja chi ko bi joria je ben go ko ju be lwe go karaj
achi mo ko ngor achi ra ne chol ding da lu wo ko gu be lwe alwela diera pala go wala alabu kor churta ga Sunday school wo yela do be apala
so now ajanka rane chol garanganye ku ja kanisa role to play in our community ko wo ko jongule ako abe acknowledge role to play ko wan ko kanisa akin kanisa to ben wo ko ga bria but because kanisa achi a very positive role to play it must be acknowledged regardless ko wan jo ben ikuwa ni yapinga piuji kanisa kukaja leko kwa piuji kanisa mane ayaka miler kanisa bigi yala gwele to ngingilizi kuenda rotoba achan milale bigi jo ler bel ka piuji dier ku ka gwele to ngingilizi ajam ko da gwele to ngingilizi so yani ben medale be diet kera betul kwa tiji yedi yelwele di ka ku achino kunge waste of time ko ja bia nyu pin ke kanisa ikulele kene dine ke yelwel kin ku ke yelwele la nyal ke yelwele lwele chuira ra ke lwela randi da yete randi da chelar all this thing yo go bio mi ko kam mi ko abriyo ja bi lwela culture da e chadele kenina jak in lo encourage for other people we must step up ko we go to Australia all over the world go to America our generation will be investing in them could they will be the great people of this country ku pane bi wo but I chuka lu guide kam mi ko abia end up ko ga big victimized kulo ro Melbourne actually full of the children actually full of the kids work achana ne ka ben ku ga ya all the time ka chuka abuse go ya ko wan bi aja ko wan bi ka lele ganen ane ke jol mungu mi kene mungu mi kene a chuku nom ka ye ko wonchi alwela de ko a ko bare de ba ye yin to ke cholio ka wa jan birio ali bi jwer ya ali bi jwer ke tinga pet ku lo jo abuse a ja jo abuse now watching financial fraud ko ye ko Sudanese financial fraud a chaga because what the system to what you abuse e kene yana ka waja jo ne right now to hit back at the community I can work ke wu ye pin ke ye dam all this thing ku ran ku jeloy ke ya ko wini ka waja che jalabat e kene na jag yana chika waja ye right wan wo ke financial fraud wo ko pet wo lu wo ka ko loy wan chen system jo bene system to wonte go go ka abuse ma wan chen jo abuse now I think a ground to hit back at this community. Young politician, community thing core. Young politician lead the country. Ye jo actually hitting at the community. Why I jag yellow young? Because everything is studied.
Manyanga ran to go ballet ran to can internet cholwal reg. Ran cholwal regiting Raleigh manager. Now 2013 online goal on Gala Radio paper. Anche wal be chol be ku kan yu wal ku la wal kene e kene be nan ku ko ko a chi wal be ku la ja ko kwa ya ke yo ku la yen ba ku ta man ku ba gu mala mi arai
Good. Ene ke yelwel always. Ke yelwel ta ko be.
Go la bar go chol ku la bar lor radio lo lwel wer bi ping ba ku ta man ku ba che ku ba gumia run ko ke tier ku di jarai go la ku la radio na jol ben benan ci ben ku chola cha ben ku chola na mar pio chen ko ci wa ja jam awu ne ci ran to jabel wel ye riame ke de be ko ka re te ku kan jal la ben pol man wa le yen wa Well, na beri lo into now lo Scott Morrison le ben. Kubo Susan Lee. Eke ministers ben. Manyanga ya reported kulola ko. We dia ko will ya ka ping. Where ku cha ping kanang tetin anang lo ne ran le lekin ping kitotin. Cái giờ cái chú biết đùa là cái mà nhang cái chú đùa cái có qua cho mà nào là cái luyện mà nhang để mà nó luyện là giang để cái ra mà nhang để cái là cái pel cái ra anh cái là cái liền nó mới lấy tiền yên cái riêu mi qua yên cái riêu wo yên cái có gì cái wo cho nó kula na beri kul mai ko na kul mai ko pe nin tir ku dro pe tir ku wo ben jamone secretary of task force integrity task force integrity yen wo I will investigate from Runwar from 2016 until 2019. Ukulu investigate yene wuga center lengungo kungo. Kwa
Good.
pianka. A chenu ping. Na jo le leben a chan ne yana dilo ima nyang. Kwa bi kanke la bi galo. Na che chakaman che Facebook chen ran bana jam. Kuche man chere ko ka kona ana will kor ba ke apoi. Na will kor bin ka yi tie. Wer ben we ku yi. Tawi. Le ko ju yo ndu na ye ler ka we kertin. Ku wer ko nyi. Wer ko nyana te to antin. Lum wer ran time the western bu wer lekin wer pir a chi lwer che man ma nyang man che man jam ni chi jaman ku le bagondia. Ba mo ke mitya. A chi lwer man ku le kene ke a ye lwer ku le wo kor bu pir wula. Wo kor bu pir wula ye ya wer ma nyang de ngade man. Ku ke ya weda. A ja ka binan ke ke tin. Ku ba binan ke ke tin. So yen ki to gonna ko kacha ka lwel ban I think I will still go ahead I think I will still about them out of my radio work. I think I will have to take a role of parent and use the skill that I have. Kuba keman jam chin jam ku jam chen ni ben chen jam ne ku jam chen pan cholo jo chen jam. I think I chira to ka well a night or once a week. Ku chira to ki I will or kiran to yen ability bla jam man the kete that we are going to make a difference in the society ke bu ko
Very
bele ku bu
good.
ko yen tools
Very good,
ta bu
Ajankai.
ko yen tools
Ajankai ke chulwel. Ayelwela you benefit from advice from anyone. Wo ga chira ne kingi. Ina chiningi jina jaku ga chiningi nga. Bar ki yo lo me ke biko. Okay, good. Ke yo ko lo ina jage e ko boko nyo ko bu ya lo. Wo ko bu lero. To change the well, you must change your household. Buku community da buku change. Bu community da buku change na jak ako biran go wo pande. Akin community Sudanese bu mandu la pio mandu kangi. Akin community Sudanese bu mandu la pio bu mandu kangi la room. Wo ko buku loy mis koro man wi ko nan pi wo ke culture. Pijo ke pa to ke tin e pa ngi ya na ngi le wan ako ye magles no mene jamon kulela Australia learn opportunities and miss opportunities. You can succeed in this country or you can fail. To chin right button chaka guru kin ra le ku yin ran bu lu yim to ku yim do je pa ne lakini a charong button chaka press you will end up depressed ku yin ni ra bi ori ga ku to kolto a chara ne ka ju ko rai ga na ne ga chan ga luitin mi ga Sudanese ga ku ka waja ke ma ye ke ga ye ko win ke to pa ne ga ka ne ka ga man tin Venerable South Sudanese jal bai ina e jolo lo ko drug mute. Alright? Ale bula shopping center, the man is school. Kuyen, ayen ko jolo dongen, that kid ale balwele, yen is supposed to school. But achila yen chingu, achila yen ku wealthy, bagala ga, ku bogu yen wintine. Kati, Kinekulo road, kumana chi police at joyo, because I talked to some of the police. Kichi police bela job and yin kubalagin. Alwele police are going after small fish. If we get people here selling the drug, we know these kids are not the one. There is a big fish behind.
Yes, yes.
For us to break the sale, we must hit that target first. Kujo ko ngi sig bendom. Yelele yen ene reason yo wocharer. Bigre ira ki agutinga men ngolo. We want to get who is behind this one. Ajama
Exactly.
chinuan. Achira lo ba ne chol Canada. Alo ro ganji. Achara ne community woni ga ngi ga vulnerable lachin crime ke bene tonke. Ke ko ga ye ko woni kede ya ne criminal business. Ke ga ye ka approach ku bigger use. Ku ko le bigger hit our small children. E keni na jage ne ko bu woni tit lakini ti mahun chana loele akin community South Sudanese because pure era an wo yena gol pande bengi mi ku ka future do ke ka future ji ka future ji no Sudan bu go gol future ku bu go pure culture da in a different way in the church wo bi church bu encourage to continue playing a positive role bu mi ko pure bi to ko che man to ko ke ka che ne ale ke wo lakini aja to du jogo yu to be ayin jo akleba baya gwele to ingilizi kukawaja je gwele to ingilizi ki war kawaja lakini aje lele ga na be ya na bali roba jocho wi am je gwele to ingilizi to ja Michael ache ko ya ko cha loss lakini na ja elo ndako we parent we must step up ku bugu this country bugu le achan per generation yene foundation ayele wo ku cha ku pi ku chin ku pi yuko ku chin good grounding chu yo ka yo ngi mi ko ale bugu yene future ko e jol bi na mi ajaga chira bere na mi ba kima ta kaman bere na mi da lui pa ma lui ko bere na mi da ji third generation I been be ke doctors I been be ke lawyers ke ga ne ko ke anti kal jaga waja embrace now you cannot go to the media kula do Vietnamese community but community that is vulnerable you can go to the media kula
Ana
ga
moindi.
jana yengi
Ana
ina jam
moindi. Manyang na moindi ti bene kulu artin na bi ku jol e bene e cleaner e wege ko ke ne carpet wa. Aber ke ber ku jol jam ken ma wa bitin. Ke ti jago ju na won jale ye jir pide. Yene ko ke la produced, emil ke la produced. Emil kan wana ci ka produce ke top business people of Australia.
yep
Uka
guy
anawar ka
doctors go guy doctors
batik nawar ka wi good. Gogo $1 million. Baba de ka mama de.
good
Kujatin kujalwele andi ka ne very alwele yanan ci luya reta ba good ba an ci guma ren mene bayan ba tan ci narun kan lui
ke guy
alwele
bor
nawar
people
ya
guy bor
jalo
people
good.
guy bor
Nawar ya good
1970s
ka nan tiyo. So when ba cleaning dien ba ade ku
ba
ka
lo
ce kina alwele wu chen ja ga yo cleaning ita ne aya ga ja jor ku ban ga mi ce ban ga la tai wan ke ku ka ce no go ber kor because
ajigi
we
be
have
ko
some
ra
have suffered one thing de ku watch bulu watch meet ka achu ka produce ana ran to ngene diar ala ka ke te ne ran very humble rete e chol peter anang lawyer ba pa ande ku lawyer ku to ka to sukule jiban yen ka yen ala ke te mon vietnam ana ran de
yeah
yen yes ana ran de yen ye sura ka Sudanese ka domaben wedding ba just because the sura I can ga chen ga lawyers a chi ka produce
yeah
na jale
yeah
a jale ya ga ti ka yiga lwela ka chin wo ko ke bo war what we came wo ga bo bot ku benin wo ben
yeah
bot ki ye ku le
during
mi ko
Vietnam
ye ku
War.
yen you should be better than us
Exactly.
you should be better than us wo ka gum the kina ke support ba ben gum na wara na one of my managers jam no ne ne ki bi jalo ku la ja to ka rai ha kan gela e ba ben ko we gum we ku bi mi kon bi ben gum
Big bag.
kuna la
Yeah.
mi kon gum na la mi kon gum mi kon abi ya was of den we ku third generation na braj na war kan nang riandi che na che kwa mwa na war jari la pick up wo mon di de nang
Kaya.
panel yala yo the day first the day mon Italian amun ga jala ti ye mon tan go jalo amun jalo yin a very humble person go lo yin nang te di te go lo le wala yin ka ga do ti kwan ni me na do ti kwan to na ka ga kani go ati ke ye ko ko ro go what do you mean go le ke ya na
Mm.
le ye ko ko ro le ke ni mana I want it one win but you must always help yourself bakilo ni ku bi jal ko nyiranda le ke ya na le yin a le bi la ku ku de tonga na ku ku do yen ge jam ku de
Yep.
raja ku ku le ana bo Italy alwele ki yoku cham ki ye baba lo kor wo ke lwa nga chom
Mm.
alwele ke lwa ke ye baba lo ga wori kule bebu be cham na chi lwa ngi ben liu ko wo lu bu na nin ke ro ko wo je chiem le cha ka wa je chia tingu ne ka wa je go le lo have suffered more than cha kan cham lwa nga chom go la ka cha cham la ka chi ka la ka cha cham go le ku cha kan nin pin go le la nin pin go le ka pet le wo ko ni yin wo ko chi kan nin pin why better off than me to Australia
Yep.
lele biko na jel mal to kana yana man mal chabo kor ku jel ke yanan gamba nin pin le kin man dun didin ku wendien cha did non work this company because it is Australia ku nin pin ka la kwala la me because
But
ku
that is
ni
the reason. You
eh
know, meaning
ala
social
kwala
security. You
ala
know, meaning
kwala la me
social
because
security.
aku ki cho nin pin so yen
Mm.
ki ba lo man ka we South Sudanese pio ki mi ko nin pin ku be we pio bi na pio nin pin che be ban te ku be chen ke chiam ebe ke ye chol bro luo rot binyi kama na tu yen mi abu wunden ti jal ba yu abe lom ku teo ku jol chamre ke ni wi da to ku ka kor bu to in ga cho ye chanin pin because yen no ma ye le na to wi da bu kwet so do ku bugum ku bi mi kon ben gum ku be ke ma na tu kwanden ke cho ke third generation abe to si
Mm.
jin so yen ke wer ba nyal to ku am la real
Hey,
way
hey, hey, yana janka inja ne yare da kuba lwela ne kita lelwen ku wen lwala re jangot ko luite ne the same work is ka ngot ko loy a chan ke le ko ko a chin kire ka waja free document I keep for more than 10 years ku kene ke lwela ne wen yene ti you yene window chen ka waja wo yo anen ka chu ko loy tin ku ka waja chi a chi ga yiriel ana woren kiran gorwa ana woren alu circulating now analysis below is very painful. I can work a study. Even our lifestyle, yeah, study. What we are doing in our own house is a study. Kuka chene community achicho projected. I can be lela wo kai system achicho fraud. Keni na jaga gupet. Me that very wonderful. I got two of my son. I go back one child Africa. I had there for 2 years or nearly 3 years. I'm learning a lot from them now. Kuka wunja luele. Man chini inpin. Wele man chi luela yen ke yan man chi pure budgeting. Be luela me the ada koch. Man in a ben getting experience in life. Two of my son man to anything. Our music at out now music yen get out in.
mm
Yani kede yani way uni go conduct. Now Andy is struggling but kede and chikla maintain one. Yangi chikla acquire one but maintain. Kenina jack wo music very great asset. Ko woni en Benial Vietnamese first generation ajara sacrifice blue ku next generation be are taking over egi chi struggle the struggle awa lo ko gi junu ku next generation ayel wele ka chi nation ye one generation ye yi wo ko ji ben ba itene ache wo bitia mareta war mi ko lakini a chu jatiam ku chi mi ko tim it will be a great loss so kanina jag in a principle ki chi ran le yin will benefit me will benefit anyone if I chu successful ku be mi ko chin ku be gitiam ka yene jor mu ne failure kini na jak elon didare ku chama on jana lele ke e po e ber ran mende wala ran be mende di we are in a very difficult country a country kine a che pa nyal e pa nu ne ga ji libi ko mor ku ka ji libi ko mor a chi me ko ai mi ko ke ga ro mor ke pe a chana kinu ko be nyal so kini na jak in chale a very great show ko le ba ngor go do in that time I can we learn from each other work let invest in our kid wa yego party ako party gimi be ga loy be mi be ya le big nang special time then be le ka mi ka huge greatness of their people the greatness of this country how they will succeed in this country be be pye ke kenina ja communication device will wel keke ko bu ko minimize ko bu ko regulated yen police ka yen pre information on how to regulate your house your wiring to in the house that be regulated for the interest of your kid e mane me dibra e chwer tablet a good my own kid they have their tablet kili big lo chale bangi ba de la ba invest ku ba control ku ba leke ku la this is where the problem is kenina ja kin chale jare ko ya bi we da cha kale ja you very interesting topic ko ja dai and we must continue mid go ke ga won
yena ke pya ke ba le ko je ke bi ko no ngen ko cha ke chan ko ju keep to un bra na jam ke bar yo ko I made the show for learning purposes. It is not a political show. So talent, I do believe can jack talent at all. The only problem is what we don't know is how to harvest that talent. And the best way to harvest that talent is to give enough time. Buffing to nang randi. And when the more you listen, kayen ka Bible kicking ne lula rana you can pin will ke jong dit ke jong dit jam ko to ku yeran ku che chawer cha ping will chi ni banjal will chi pan chol jogal will chi manyang ke ban will mantina kiyen wo pio yo ko kiyen le we ache yo ko better than you. There is no, that concept must go away. Achira better than you kiyen ye lula kala nge bere ping na pir jan pir bere ping na ke chating bere ping na ke chan tin bere ping na te chan lutin bere ping ran chan ling one yen that thing because yen chaman manyanga take perfect one take Melbourne when that come together then that the learning space is created because kilo rat per ku kilo rat Melbourne ku boku chal kero tete or kilo rat balang de Melbourne then you are learning actually from here ache ran ko ya ga ting ke jam ache ye ke ni kam so ache ran kira lol kulo la ja de che ngona ni no I have nothing at all ki ke to a experience of the chanting et ki
yeah
manyang te chanting et muen et yen jam tin kan ran ma ke ye yen ke learning because we learn through others and when we learn through others we relate that lum ke chinariyo kubera game so ku yer ke tie ka waja ka wuor jenga pe banye Facebook mane mane ne chon mag zaga bege en cha do pin mene be cha ya kara an bana dung be pin ye lwele de Barack
yeah
Obama ko
yeah
bi kara an ban Barack Obama war chan bla jam pa ne chol Scotland go dom $400,000 chan be jam only 1 hour $400,000 the kingdom ko where a chui char kwa yen ale lwelo wan chia ka pin no goje kan ga wete to kan ale ku yen wen ta du yen kan ale wete ka yilol ku le an beti wete ka yin jam ku le an be manyang la ne man bla pe in kin ticket go tem because the chalwel wer ka in jalo ndol jal ticket la tem ku jalo ndol because the chalwel nan be manyang la ne so where must
aiwa
we must value where
jaga mi jo jal ke ba lel
eh
gina jaga ne giti
eh
barar yow ki ke ba le ko wo je ben e pinom to wotin men e
eh
pinom ko bu ka jet kal ke ko to ge apet bu ka gor a chan bu ka ya pi mi da che ba bin ke lwel aneng be ga tin to kunen ki tin ji gor gin bo je nyu met ku lele ke lwel kin a chan mi ko an ke di tu ke gitene ke ga ga be nyal kal ja yen gat aye tung je gor ye tung kin bo chi ka gor yen ka bi me je ya ba li di ye tin ye to e kene whatever little you have ku ki tin to ko ya ku tin to ka ja ku chu ko gar pin ke ka gi na ja they are very helpful kile ba lwel ken ko ping man we 79 people at Africa well book we have a lot we have service jito ka ne ngu duon jagor ku ka ko public for the interest of the community here in diaspora at home alu buguloy e kenina jage ninti be ben twen abinang program ti bugo bebe ke ka chiga gor ke ka to monjang ab ben be ku lu ku ke yagu lu ka ke ku ka lu ko ke e binang ti yin ke tin kang le la go men du go to ngi problem now tin ke gwel bai ku me de gwel ingili du ku ti ga che gwel ja ko ga lu communicate they will never communicate ekene yena yen pia a
lekin
ko ba culture pyramid a ko ba culture imbe na ja a ko ba culture pyramid ki ye jam to yer me jam ekeni na ja ek lo ya ni encourage in one of the talented person wo chi beto wela wen ki ko be idea da ko bu go a ja now ti mon ku cha lwelun a lwel ka chin ko to pinno ran ben wo ya ba ke wo bi jal lakin ki go re li to for generation to come wo ka nen dalit ko yo go ye gar ke gin nga anen bali de ngi ke mon bari get ke a chan ka ke ga bi na generation ke jo ya li bil ka chi che ke pye chi ka go long time ago a ko ngor ka pye ka de men wo ka ko bu ka da bu mu a ko bu go kini na ja I'm appealing to people for Africa Well Book and program go jito actually dictionary actually a chu bebe actually now they are coming to us big dictionary actually big up here misken ku big will see kan big up here anera dictionary to ngor wala neng de jagor to ngien ke ye be ke written material ku ka buku share worldwide wo neng culture when ye lwela wo ki cha jang de ngi cha ko lo jipet ki chi nge ma jang lo jipet ki cha jang lo jipet lakin wo irut kum ben achira ne joto woto a kum kurut ko ko mi ko lakin a churut kum ko wo chi mi ko le kun wo encourage I did ko pira wan tuola through jak the life of the red army one I can one of the thing I share a life gonna go banyi wo me ku gire me da ya surprise re ku ga ye le this life it terrible ke ki jo ko ba le me ti cha lo ye piri ku yan ji piri an to me na inja di
then you can make
piri
it.
you can make it. All the things are there for you. So if you can survive, you have to want to in palataka. Amil kuke kini deri yin. Kuka not school, a good school. Young chile bega back at him. A kene yeneko ko buku in party to our kids. Kuyeneko yo as a parent to my own jenny lele. I lele ran a pure at the open. May they appear at the open man do one okay made a good be nowhere, a good be the up. To join the alipi, come and do a year where. A kenina jack. I'm encouraging my fellow Dinka, my fellow South Sudanese. Let's put our ideas in writing. Writing, I encourage. Africa Well Book is working, and other people also I encourage you. Benang ideas book of baby. Kuweki la ini na jack. Abenanga
Yen
book of baby.
kubani riowe yen and one of the people but like him and jam and man anang material na lwela page me to get at them klan we ko perth we ka chabla tie ke jane ane ki bugor the printing because the lower full color ta chabu cost $5,000 ku jale to we ko perth ku jala ko ke Brisbane we ka chabla tie ke because ane nang num kangela ane nang num anye ko kwa che kun go taw into video go taw into audio 52 minutes go taw into a books ku ken then mean a brand did ran by abelo go taw with the TV ku yen the same text yen ku na biran lo ping yang oduman I went into lost I like a yin man tin an muk drafts an muk bo win material commit almost 9 of them kaka mit mani run ayo kaka mani run the tam to mani run tier kro ato ke audio ato ke ngo kaka bana pibe de tong jenga yi cholnga kudwal kwa kukul tin cheke kwa kon kumir ku yena to into a digital form ke bilo ku tew into ipad bilo ku tew ipad ya ba ku yeme ten ku jem lekin war chana discourage war chana oy people don't actually need this go atok der ku tawke
Good. Kabalo ina
ko to ka
jaga.
chibicha
Ajak.
because na chirilo ini chirin brella limo banale ko
No.
ku le ke be important na mandu it is start a conversation chema na cha gwalo ndu ku chaja ko go take example chema na wit acha dia jale ko jiten ku lo yen na cha wit chala yo ka yira na gor ka wen marial or bira na gor or bedel bala yo ke chaja gor ke del ku ka yira na e chorol ke yi lor ku nyoji pin ku le ken na ye chol tene ko ke ye chorol
Yep.
ku ka ye ko ka yi
Diversity.
chola a wit ngare yi chol del ku jala ko le
Adil.
bir ke yimu ben ananga ko ro ben yinom bere lo indur ku le da ko de ko para men ke bu me dia a ko la ye le la ko ka ye le la ka ye le la manatu now Inchinang a reason to start a conversation with Mandu. And how are you, Tiang Manyang? When I give up, I'm telling you material to Kanayan. It will take me a day to produce an audio, one material that I can actually convert it something into a visual, something that is actually usable for kids. But because
Yeah.
actually, a kokwa yigo wo ke chiri lalim.
All right.
Akayana wo kin anchiri wo kache. What
Kubralo
talent there?
Ajangai, it was great. It's very great to you. Will koi ke pingaman. We are very kitera our kid. Ku anjira lo Melbourne to water everywhere. Actually Melbourne to get everywhere. Walk, keep it up. I think discouragement. I will kira loy. I think you go gam kulto. I think you gam kulto kajak. Ben nang pan chana la yo bunga ja yo ke de anu wolwal so ajana yo ko kwen mit igor ayu be clever people ran ya clever met yene clever person pinum achan me de num prech ko na jaga kiran yin ran kwan chu ka ya na le bere le gidi dingi ko na wo jalo yekene because num da bere chap ekeni na jak achi kurbu ya giba ko ko wolwele is a great word achan yene ko erbu o mit gudo anyoje mana kulkul ke chwal folk tell stories aneng a message ga gam cultural message ga gam ka ta nyu wo met ko kwen ku jelwel ke yelwel kin ka me de very interesting kini na jage ke lwel ka ku wonto we don't get discouraged abu go lo we will work together ku ko jam a through experience can experience shape a human work a chin experience all through we take everything for granted ku yena yo we are privileged be mi ko big dan opportunity we must give them a start in life. Achi be to gan kwa to taking achi be taking, but ako book ya China in this country, could be the image of the South Sudanese, will image of black African in Australia, big new Australian, or quite it. The canina jack, ran chirin kuyeto role in we play man, which ya ateri kene no mjing. No mjing ya ping, the jena muya jam kene, because ye and a gata. Rana jepal gide. Rana ya kangnum yana ra jaga ne dolwan alu ele kagra no Facebook alu ele kira ni yoga yur be Facebook go kangnum ma ji yoga kira je kangnum go kangnum bigrom so gani na jage ne kira loy wo go ya jo na galoy we are under revolution yani ko ni alagi ni go ya kuma ku kanisa ku pi ka ci ben ji ngi ka a ci bi lo ko ci ngi ci riyo bara bu jo chopin so ka giben na bu ko lu ma chan pi ay ko bu ko ler ke chol bar ma jak ko chol mu ay ler ma jak ye chol ay ye bu lum ka bel ka ja ye lum ka chikri ye bena chu wora yi inglisi ay le la ya jo gwel inglisi ke na wara jak lakin pi esa kabado ay ko jiti am ka ya afriki a ko ke ne kalta den lakin men che gwel ko ler pa na mya ajak lo mi le jong le men che jam tu jing
will be isolated
ka la jal ala get discouraged kugalu ile la part of that community so kini na jaga jira rio ane ko jam gule we ka jira jorio jaga ya rio aka ba era ane jole ayen woto wina jaga Africa well book ya juma unchina lwele achin wonto the vision ka yelo vision ka yene lui ayen ala ya be bless ko community da very blessed community. They will support us as the time goes. Legacy we are investing in our kids, because they will support us. So can it achara anchin kichiloi? Yena chia get discouraged. Jaka yana lwe kama biuro anchin kiloi. Yena chira ani yagorul. Achin kiloi jaka chira andui. Lagi ran kiloi. Yena ya get discouraged. Kuyene ran yaman. Kuyene ran lui. You encourage aning knowledge token yin. Aning ideas to chuma token. Don't get discouraged. We will get out there. I can culture without a language. The best thing in culture is language.
Community. Manyang da community da ko riya chan bajalo community da ko riya and dai lu in this community since I was 16 and I got one young 1995 in the galen loy ko And I will give you one simple example. Okay, chola ideas to kanen 2004. And you garanga
Ajak,
Kennedy malang. Oh,
yeah.
ala
Yeah,
anchi
yeah.
dalu anchi dalu one community. Kuyena ne yaber prog ane dache taka ke ya think ke be community ke ya wo ke ya ti ana wo ku ko kwa create be radical on 2004 and ben kular kanisa kan yo ke an yo ke bishop garanga te ben ka kuma ku jala bishop ding mala ajal ke yo ka rer kanisa ko bun ga jal piet majority abun ke ato australia ten ajal ya tie jal ti bishop golele because ke tinga ke chiran ben wel ke ti golele garanga bishop nathaniel golele because since I was a kid and I didn't catch a tea. Lot been a lot. But I na ya wo ka nan ka bu ko ko ga tie. Go ja ti ya bishop ya jong di data tin ko ma jonde ma tiangu. Ya lo pe on ne wo pe on pe ya le na we e be juba Episcopal Church Province. We ye ka yen cha dat che ne ka ordination certificate ye yen we go pin pin na stand ko jo lo me te yen wo. Wala piat abun kun ga Episcopal Church ban aya ga yo ka ye piat na jara na ke riar ke man che America ton ye ka yen ngo ku bira ande ke bela yo pinda ke man America ku jala Australia bila ni dilan che na oden go pin man ping ku jalo le ke chirani ye loy gola chirani ye loy ku yinang pio be agam golele gwa to do kula la piat no ran tung to ke yen I was a 20 something year old and I think 23 or 20. No ran to no ran to kayen. Go jung dit abuna jung dit rana
Yep.
jung.
Era na
Era
junga mon
rana.
raman bola.
Go buna jung dit go jalo le katoke yan. Akeke daga photocopy. Wala ker province go lele. Wala kala labe. Jal di aganti kulwela yinin bishop. Na lo yen ka bun kun baga piota lemia abun baka pieda le mia long dun tri baka yen cha da golo la kada ga loy wala ka pet yen ge jala ben jaw bi gada wala la wara ga ngaba loy because an ci kun technology wara ga ngaba loy ku yen aba bi yen we ki ga ba jal ngai loy e ba jala printing yen bi abun kon jal kan pin because I'm using
Yep.
my printer lekin I design tan we e ka ba loy it will take me just an hour and I will fix it aba loy gola okay lar manyang lar ku loy tum ya na wa ku la ben be ku le yer ke gid wona ready go gara ga le ti ya no wa yo ye ma tin ti kire ja lo yen abu na bu kiden ja la war go lo okay anti ko ko ani yi ka on ranon ti dum ka ni ta ko lo e na ba le wo ni aba ya la war 500 shillings
Yep.
aba ya la war 500 shillings lo ga ba le bishin num ke ye ne printing because the full color ku yen kito na cha my yin money okay is from a dio ko mo yana jung sorry lo la yen na cha a jung na cha lo indur ku cha
You
ba
yeah,
do
don't worry. Yeah.
na wan yen manyang in ke mine kul go dungon te ya na on ru ko na kul go lo from kir pastor ku kir deacon ku kir go le rida go lo go twel kide no me ya ku lo wo kor cha rat ko ya a corporate design go ben ku loy yena cha bloy kana na wan to nin ga jalo ku la we now ke die to I have recovered wu chen ke india cha ke dom de kin na lom ke yen
Gang
man ti ku ya ga lo war ba soft copy ba lom ku ya ga bun don jalo ya ga jalo war 50 shillings or 100 shillings this will give you revenues ko we ko ga kanisa akachi bera jang de chamo. I've given you the idea, I've given you the design, I've given you the ngo ka jar ka duon ku chin chatin ne ali nyen che ka ber ko rien an chi wu cha chen na
Ajag,
na lo
ajag,
ku ye na lo ku ye ting bating na lo ku ye ting manyang go ber ku lele e ka tin lo ku choga no ka chi yo ah ko e ran manyang where is techno where is kunyu baye ke yende ye where is kunyu baye ke yende na war awar ba pa no ku be we tiengola no ko ke you will actually in the be man ke ye ta ko so ke ba ke support ba lo now e e ba no mi de ka yin e ba no mi ku ba cha pi de ba ya men de o ana war ba te ne ka an bo ku tem ya lu ka che e ku lu ka wa ja ga lo na wa tien ka ngade kan mi dan no a gudu man ma nyangan 5 years an che lo ka sa Sudanese e na cha pul ba jam okay or ba jam ndi ten lekin ku te dien radio why because na lor ku le ko ke pie ba ko nke ke yin ni lu ridicule kurana ku pidu so ko kwa chi kru kun and I you to the maximum that look I better live my life I
Ayen,
better
ay
I
jag
better
ko
eh
yiga leja pe ko jida ya ne kriye bin ku jam ko jige dere la be kitala lele bere one of the issue na wo ku yena nen forum bin ga addressing wo ke chol empowerment idea ko bi ngi ko mu pin ma ko to information acha get you get your hand on information ke ga chinder ko acha people will come for information kene ina ko bugule ko pan chu bentin we need to get any single information we can get ko wan jalo ye ke ka woni ye lela ri ko wan jalo lela ne lela generation to ko chen ba yi generation ali foundation lo ku be generation derben ku be generation derben wada garanga nya ke che lo lakini ko la lo ye yene system kanisa e ka to chu ma ne chine sede ali kanisa ko ni ne long run ali system ali set jati ku yene ta ama nina tingo mane the social issues to wo ko mane either in the government or in the church aka ko fresh ideas ako a new direction ako a new articulation to yani to big elephant getting ke ke ku ko ile randi ki la ke randi lakini aja le ku le randi to ben ke de lo thinking ku ke ya dinga ko ben tin en ka gon jeni gam lakini aja la gon ke ye nyon nyin ku le we ko ngo system jo ku ile
yo
ko
lo
yar ko kimru ako kimru ko chin certificate ai ko ruo ko chin wo karaja ne ga buni le ko ja pye ke do to no pin no aliu ko ga ko wan ko ro man jo to men ke ga ko bi ko to kanisa ke jo ya lwel rana ye pyo ja ban ya le luoi a chan chi jok chi bitem ke kanisa be budget ko na be ku bi jo ro agore go chi loy a chan temetejo na chan mil ku ne choke ku ina yet kola kin le bala ko ke bi mil ku ben cham ka ko wan ke ga le be jo lwel man chene yang ju bi chi ke jo bene a jo le we ku wan en ko kim ru gran kin kun a jo pon rana bi na jo pio a ko ba bun ko lo ke kariya
ke yi ta ga
lakin
dur
ke wan ne tewo a guda na man yang support banan gidi ti kara ne e kini na ja ke ga
hey
ko bu
manya
jo le ke ga ko bu jo le ko jo le we yibe ben na ja ga yene ko bu jo le ko le we kanisa da ane ko pio lo ayan proud da manyang I know kichi kanisa play in my life I know achane and for me to be here rani yoro no rani chol ma chariton 1991 wale 1990 ma chariton wan yene nge ge bichip range wan jo bembe ne jo bembe la gi ma chariton ran yene nge so kini na jak kanisa ne role jo play lakini kun chalo ye ke ka wan ye garang ma biur ko le we mizge we ka bo war jo loy mana ko bu jo le mi ko we mizge we ka bo tayret jo loy ayen generation to ka chen ba yi na jak pa ni jingu bu pya ko wo we must start something achi be a good but bi ko ya carry on lakini a chin gi yuke a jaka chin ga yar ga ba pinga bi chin ga to so we la de ne ki yuke ka to ke gor achan yan ki gor kanisa ki individual ki ga articulated achan pindom achan information so kene yene ko loy guyi era da Africa well book ko yo wa appealing to our people ko ne other thing loy ke get discouraged achan kriye ben a lo ton ko chol ke ku le we an ko ba book loy aye ko ju ja jo wo ju yera an be ben kurala krim lakin ki yara ngi kloy ali wa chala grim kloy yin ko benang information to tan ko ayene ke dina jak di et le le na jak bung de ju bebe e kra la grim ali wa che kra la grim a chana jin ke joy free pinom information ka yo watch. If you go to the product ka yo watch, information of product and then product you must sell it a chan go there bebe lakin a le ke da wa le ka ni da le ga mi di chinario a le lum di chinario ku gam di lum di chinario gam di chinario the principle ke wrong e da ma to wa yo jo le ke wrong ko ni le ke a ka le ke tong a ka le ke bai lakin men e la dim ke ma nyanga ya bun e la dim yin ke ban pa di mu ku ba wer ni ale ba loy e la dim ba ko pio ku benang yin ya go mi pio yin ja le ja ku carry on
Hey, na pot manya ding, hey na pot ko ke ping. Rane jam ga na manya ding te ko gu jai. Ke to we cha le jare. Ping ya wa kon blo lo yin ne. Ane kin war chan na off kin man. Wa kin man jam le kin. Show ya ka lo le da ko korbe benang be bi community belentin. And I hope today Kiran when ki dil right po and your time is not any time to deal wasted for no reason. So weba anbe anlo loy mi adu kwan ji to te kan wan man wala te ga de almost that kan wan a che te ga di that. So half of the day Chinese you know ko be jaban thing I think it will be cut into pieces. Hey makati to no to so we cha Jasmine Molan Kudwal video to him laughing, you are a young mother. So ke kito we ko share those videos which are ke pin ko ke kito education ke loy. I hope kiran jaraipo ku kiran win cha blame because what I was fighting in a blame game ku sharing knowledge where cha lele kala na lele cham ku wanim ko wapir na cham ko nim ko wa pirga then we will learn from one another nyai karote kawun nyai rote ke chalo kunin ke la beni biral beni la ka bala nin ka naran chi la to or banin nyai karote they are part of illness ta cho ka cha tuan adam ko you trying to lekin learn to bin bulure ta dunya lenda wa mumia na chimi ko dit ko wa ba na la ta je wer yo ba na lo ba basket du ba na tiat pin ga in retired mother ku in mother of a pilot or in mother of a doctor or in mother of a business owner ku bere la long ku bere lo ga yo ba ngi ti ma la jit a wo ko war ring ring kam ga mi de no wa la uitu wa wala kan oitu ku pampa da to ku ngo bangi tio malwala jit wo ka jo ya nangan ko ikinera la loy when you are in your 50s but now ku ku loy man tin ka yin 50 ka yin be a grandmother ku inu mi ga man du ben mu mi ga man jero ko loy yedu kilo ku tom le li ki pat ka boku yin be 50 inu ben mu bere ye nyan jiro kilo ku liaj ko lo ku bi me ba yin be na 50 ke yin mu yin be nang 60 ke yin mu yin be nang ye mu yin ya so that was the intention. Let's do our best now. Let's do our best now koko yin about okay so what is that yin ke kilo rar mana hu kiran jar yo and I've been away for some time. Kukake beke for you to learn, able to learn from what is being said. Acha jang ding chango. Ajang ni kuwer, lomwer kupala jak. Lomwer ni bany kupal ni bany. Lomwer manyang kupal manyang. Kwe lomwer pan chol jawan kupal kita. Kulom learn. Kuyen avoid things when be chariak pio. Ayelwel kulela uto bana tonga keke deka kene ke lioni. South Sudanese are na le ke chol husband swap ka wife swap le loy mi ko ja pye bi ba na lum ba ba la rer wona mo nyanga nin ke di ka no nin ke tier lule yin baba yo ko ku ke pia to ko mondu yen ke krai to ke na mondi ke rai to ke na mondi yen ke bala yo ke ko wa tindu ne ye lule kin pio baba ku jalli bala yen tingde ti bala yo ke nan ka pe wa to ke ne ti ka ba jalo la ngene ke dien wa kwa ngene ke dien so ke chol purity is a mix up ke pia tinangaran rai du ni tinga yen ka rai tinanga den yo iti right na man mi hauta ngo monduna kete de kiti ye mi ole cha kuran mi ole cha ra ja la ngwen ran mi ku chi piru nan mi ka le am sorry lekin ke mi cha ti or ke mi nan ke den mi ole ku ter tong ni ke yi diang no ba le apia ye ku du man ye ku du mi ko ye ku du na ye the same thing so jong dun ni a chen pion dun cha ni ene ka nang ene ka te ke a nang pion dun ku ti tong pionde kunyi tio yu kuma jadan adan ke amaton pe dare ne ke la mointi he la ya jang man te de ya la ga chir ke lo la ga adan ap lo bare lom ba bi yo ke ran pe is totally different animal so so adan mai du in ku du ryo ke tio dun ta ilo anam pi nun to learn how to avoid anang pi nun to e men dun ti ko buluge ye yi kin tar ko le men di yin ke go men a kin that go men because of you and if you can do better I will be a better mother and I will be a better dad so uh, Sitani Junior, how are you? So which are kele quite a barker watch at the go like and can have to be sincere and can cham cham late. Kogalo loku tama. So bye bye. I hope bye bye angel ja. Nyin chi dom dom ku pi ali. So bye bye. We it is nice to see you back. And it be almost a month and something and thank you as well. So Uncle thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye. Uncle Konache, it is better than I go. Hey, pot. Good night, Mola. Good night with you. Koike Australia, Koike America. Good night. Hey, Kok. Good night. But okay. Yo, good night. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Chat nhỉ. Bye bye. Ai nhà đi để tông năng đam mì cái. Bye bye. Giờ đến nằm. Giờ nằm lên bye bye. Yo bye bye. Bye bye nhà đi thế cái nhà đi để cái chém đam mì. Đây là nhà ngồi giờ là tama. Bye bye. We chale bye bye. Đức tin tôi rồi giờ.